Shejina be Armandi Womono, Krate, and the Hunse be Abba, a Ghanaian Times, so Aqua, Aquafabi, and the Abba. Now, the other day, I saw the show, crab, a daily guide. Yeah, what day about and I watch rest and ram Rashima if you send a medical bamaniano, and any drama Sanepa, and a sea or honomo. Did you not show for your budi? Yavetu or see about you or more tomorrow, and I don't come and say, did it, Yabo, Vets and Edia Mako, they will see a Jamatum Padie. Eno edjuma eho sembi ode aba owura atoforson ekasai ewosa ensem no nanoma atram konwa ya wonu free from antem abedase ewo Jubilee House no wonu so de krata di bi aba sanso ena owura baumia wono so edi de bohye so ama sempe stew eno so krata yi ede aba owura kofo enso nsem adofo ne nsem a waka se edida so ho de ba oman Ghana no eno so krata di bi aba ensem aka ni nyina ne ensem kro no a enkrata no de aba edwaso e na anopa yakwa kofa bi ede aba na metro lenses so de e no so ebo amane se mamprobi aposifo wonom saka ehyin bi eye ka kese bi a koko enia lodi ne ma omugidi ye panse sa koko nyina no enkrofo bi da esmagre ede akọ avikosu men makwa akoto asese de aposifo ede wonsa atoso e na wo bo amane ede sempedifo so atu na mo yi ameka say Thailand manumu kanifo bi wonom aba yi a kire se pedifo de wonom kasa wonom dodo won dodo wo mu a sebe ye investors a eba emudua ne ho tutuemu a wo budi mu ntintima ba be so memu no asen na nneoma nyina atumi akonkan a ensebi afoforo bi ka ho ena no penkrata dodo no a wonom ede aba edwaso eno ti ko dwaso ankrata aba no akotobi no akenkan na de ekosu nyina no wo so wotubi edi wani edi achiri
ano ya nana amabu achu nana bia fasten yeah oblesa yeah na
Ajikwa 101.9
biti Ghana nana Ghana oblaso na omanu pen kwenti omanu pen kwe
na unim
sa planning commission asen ko ho anwa e wo ho e de adwuma na ye oni pada sani timu woji akefie dikwa wonyam planning hwenfa mo
afi no mehu o masede
nana
afi no mahunu yes se
omutimi nya hwe nana omutimi nya hwe abebi ba MPP be break it no beto aso a ensemfo wono an obedie so atimi an break it na NDC ba sa ensemfo sa no obedie ye party mendi so ade hunu wa di so ade hunu sa ensemfo sa mese sa commission wosi egu no ya create monster bi amagana na nyipa edi wuskadi kwa
yetimi nkoka eno ni ade a ene meti ho na medwere ho se enipa no wo opposition a ase ni susu ya wode ba ne nsemu a woka twese ase de bia nyansa no asem wode baba bia so tie mu a eya na toso ti send de kan ma mpani je
de akovifu nko a wo mu
akonyo so wi a
akovifu nko a wo mu bua
ne esusu ya no wo no na yira eya na fa hefa
wo mu bua
eya na fa he
enti susu ampa se ya te National Planning Commission vie se wo honie yet amayukumbi nyu obi aba de open woye
obi a ne nsabe ka bibi na se wa awie na osode so a e ka gudam gise e bi akromo wofo na se ba bi kro na de ne wo no mo kasa na mo meye mayo se yedwa mo meto so mayo yaresabia meto so mayo wo mo so wa na e bia wo mo ni so da ne boja na ye hu mo bone akwasoso ho de ama wo mo
ofre o man we se o man ofre we se o man Who some food in Quasiasam to a man room, and distance and food will say, oh, mine.
Then you're gonna have no better as I do, your my best.
I was your gun on you on my own. You're gonna have and you on mine. Where would you be playing and tell your home? A blast will send you people wa. And answer with the football, they can't credit a woman. National Planning Commission fast will be any so. And fast will be any so.
As I said, you must so. ebia na
Dana omu bia nwe ho.
So bo so ye hwe wo mo ebia na kane na ebia na se obi gira obu dua so se die ntia no mu ntimi nya adwuma se de mo so mo so de cause ade
we ye nsama ye wura koto fie ka se won ye de Ghana mana Ghana enkwai mefi
I don't know
sa se won na wonim de wosu ehunu no a on fa Ghana enkwai mef
won fa ne nko no na wo aban mu ade afutuo no odi tu aban no
o ma no nje wo ba ye sole ye be ye de goka me makase Ghana engineer bi ani ha engineer ba ko ani Ghana ha Ghana expert ba ko ani Ghana ha
oh expert dey here bia expert dey say dey bia go for dey da go for
oh enjoy
for security expert
go mo bua
we expert energy expert expert for the and
Ghana ka obi a ope expert ya expert ya wo Ghana ha magajifo
Ajinko FM
akrofo ni ba mo fo nso expert wo pa
ba na bi akrofo magazifo na ye expert wo Ghana wo de ade no kwa fido kadochi wujira ho wa fix wa de na de ama wo de ama wo de ye expert
na wo mo hu se bia bibi besi de edwa na ye ka ye fa we ntwa so ya de ankrata ne bi bo amane se April osumi ebewura mi May ene di June ye mo agwaye ho
de ne bezi
ensuo beto
ani je se nye expert asem
obusi oba na we nya obi na hunu ka o yes ensuo beto wa uti ye kwetera yie na ensuo na beto no nya gitigiti ne bia enye nwenwen akese pa enti many mesinwie no nkasa aban beboa ye
esa ne de ye normal routine ya annual adia ritual na sacrifice ya koso a festival obi anyim say pu meju die
you be celebrate
na do ne be te bi na ka se any o man no sabe na was a NADMO NCC Information Service Department wa sabe if we match here you know na was the bomb piti ni e hwe na esi
ko ba ku bi de o mo ho
NCC One esi edan ewo nsuo ho one esi nsuo kwan one etu sabe na wo se ya mamra so ye adwuma ye tu so wusi dan wo nsuo ho wutu
o ma bokoko
na ye nyo man e de ekoko
wa tu
e de ekoko
tu o na wa tu a
be si ye nyo man o ni se ntu obekọ bo nsem gem bibini outside Ghana ni
ha dwene enso se mi hu ye
National Planning Commission MPP ba no obedin some force no aja hoko NDC ba no obedin some force na National Planning Commission mo te ho
e na make se obo ma se de se wo mo se emfi ade animi wo mo so de waka obo ba be ye adwumaden esan se ase na bubu so mo no bubu o mani gu nneoma bi so be hekura na mo so no obeka se adwuma no pese mo ya ko se Ghana sa na wo so wo bi bia so ye bia se wo ye adwuma bia no okeka no yisi gifo de wo no mo so de yesu ohu ne ekọ what so nyina mo nkane a
papa se course we ba no so
wo na wo so kane ya no onyu bi na be so ma wo se wo so wo just so wo so fine wo so air condition wo so light wo so TV wo so radio wo so fridge ni nyina na etwa wo so sisi so na da ho say na wo enjoy to na da wo di ho e so ni nyina sisi so na mo so me so a kane ya no e se se okotua no unkotua yisi gifo so aka se wo mo no se wo mo use postpaid no what will you pay 25 million, 250 million or say 25 million? Sano, Obo, Yinisa. What would do 2.5 million or so more dorsum? And so what will we read meters no? What will you be 800 pay? Not just say, any power patch.
A genius sequence here, baby account.
Now, me quite the enemy say, what national service no? What do crack out of some national service? Yeah, for one. Yeah, my winnie be. Yeah, my winnie be.
Oh, no, yes, Miss Woman, I don't pay a phenomenal can and say president when you swadi who a vision when you have to Obama or say that captain it is your best way you be it is a dear now president to say Mimi vision is a meton man one
and I make us say captain 7 credit when you as a captain or coach you
say Mamma can't praise a Ghana and you are my own. Wow, ye kuro
enti wo bia fi ase na bia adwuma do betimi aye no keka no pe ne ye kana hye wonya so ne ye wu se wo yuti bana ne ye fi ase abu apempem ne ye abu apempem sa
o ma ye tim sector bia anya adwuma aso ye bia anya adwuma kronu asisie pese minkuminya tanchi ankoa
na ekoso
ena ekoso Ghana ha
enti wa hwe ye na atenetena ho no se na wo bi do ye hanam a wo do ye hanam
ya ye nche abatu obebasu
FM
enyafo nya wiemfo manko na ebehunu amane saa he ekufu adu wo hoi ono ne babia anko campaign bi no mu ne amema wo mu airport ayi a wo mu dada ni wo ko campaign akope wo nko bi
okaka dia sempo
die bi ekufu adu kwa obeba be frabera e di ama NPP se bi ala nchamatin o ba queen di say vice ba wo mi o papa ya wo so wonu ne wo expertise obetimi aboy Kennedy o kwamle Japan o bo ache Japan o bi anyone na ba ko campaign bi the banko bi ni yirin kopi yan kwasiafo ya
no aduane so mo hwechiri bo ko campaign
kwasiafo ya ne beko na mahama ne bebo se Dr. Dufo ne bebo se ba ku Anderson Krabia se wa Krabia wo se on so ba be bi wani se wono so na bebo he ne ile nkwa campaign ne banko bi yan kwasiafo ya ene beko kana umi yusu enyansa adwuma na wusu a yehu ne su adwuma ne yete ha na no ahafo na se edu enketia ne be ko pempi no afo baby ne be ko pempi be se yete so am ya chemensa bonsuba obeba be yempi
oba be ye do be ye nso
obeye
se amanyo he
yete ha na po eba beba be yempi
obeye we yo
yete ha edu twumba beba be yempi wo bosomtwen
wo fira chichiri ba na wo
na wo amanga onwene wo ho yede wato adwuma msesua yede wako school se ko yese yabo odwete se didwa
o se me hwe so nye
o hwe so na wonye
be ko ne yakwa akotu si yakotu ani yakobu na yakotu
me se Ghana mum ya abusua mum ya mi wo ma me nyu o man sa o
anu dem aban be heyo
na ye say ministers do so be say mahama penso ka no me ye say samfo sa
reference in fact ho sa
ni tire ni kon ene de to memu
na sa be na ye
etu o man so obi timi obi tin samfo wo ko ka na no ka se me si ye say
na bre so na ye a wo ye na ne sanka ne ye bojo so a enkoko ye
ya tu o memu na samfo ne ye tware ye ho sa
ti ati mu anu no
ye ti nyamete o so le na opie Yankopon du ko fi
asubio ma China for mo ko pebusie mo ko sere se mo ka ye mfancha mo mfanche
ayi ko nyama na ko ntana so
se nkotodwe no makobuo pa chew na me o de meka na se mi wu roba se ka no nya kaketu wo se fache me
me se abofo aya wo mu dada
ko ne sa bra bio
hwe se Germany man so afo iba ha obebo abaso aye ya Ghana ko dwa to a wo mu se woni akejiremu na ye ka wo mu nka bi ma ye no China was okwa amaban no so te ye de obi a wo de ka wo na wa ban kakaka so te me na wo be sra me se nko pa cho ma no so te me
101.9
se aban no ebrempe ya na bo na da so no oso
na me yemfa di pado dudu ngum na adwuma no enko wa no wa adwuma bay
eti adwuma ya kwa di pado mo
adwuma bay
na wo ko twego se kura ho na wo ko twanagu
adwuma bay se na ko wo hen
na ho
you to na police station ya wo hen na Queen
Rashid Budi ekura na no na dida so ya ye see you start
me kwa me when your message as a dia na fa could be a message as masa when you do onka ho
sabo
ba be fele form no yanka nyem se manyi o na me adwuma na me amabie bi dada no a me ye no a
bi pe bibia
asemu kina no yesi me manyi
enti nkola say inviedu
obi enfie edu nwotwe edu nwotwe 18 ekono
we
Kenyan Francois na mo wona wo bi dada no a wo hia moa no wono so ye
nkola di ase mo
be ye so wo wanyi dodo
ebia na Rashid na ba cause the way na we see de ne hwene ne nani ne bibia to so
onya bi Onyebi. Oni political godfather.
Okay.
Onyebi.
Na we na mo ha ye ma ye say ye bre.
O ma ye ni tire, o ma ti bonko so.
Wo ma ye ha say ye bre gidi ye ko fele.
O ko fele dey. O dey wi a. Ye nhwe percentage wise, o mo fele ye.
Be dey say ma so.
O mo benya bi. Ali dey wan fele bi a wo benya bi.
Benya bi. Obi a fele, so benya bi.
Ah. Ghana. Me see ye nyanye wo man, mu obi na daw.
Ye wo kwantwa. Ye see ye di ye fofi da inflation do siensi.
Ye nyanye wo man, mu obi na daw. Na ba bia ye du ye koye nim. Nye koye nim na adu twum si school bi mu o mu wode nti ye ntutu
school
dey. Ajinkwa FM 101.9.
As a sector minister wo kan se won fele.
Ye tutum na da
anya kanfo na se ye digya wane ye de aso awo.
Ye de aso awo. Ebia na ye tutum na da.
It is ye digya na ye de aso now ye education minister. Ye no man ko ya.
Ye se ye tutum. Tie ampebre.
Ade ya ba no boka wo free SHS ho.
Enti ye dan no wo boka.
Obi asoma no.
Boka sidie si ho no.
Obi asoma no.
Ye be portrait farm.
Be portrait farm. Si ye che omugusu wi ana dan na aka na ye akoye dwonso dan.
Na bibi say.
Se ye tibi guto but e ka se de ho. Ebe ye jana bia ne dwonso dan. O man ya wutim the level of a year thinkers ya.
Eduande.
Yo mo thinking man ye no. E ho na aka koduro.
Sa dan no se ba bi ko na ye dwonso mu a. Ye be si foforo.
Ye be si foforo. E che wo man na wutim mo dwene ma wo.
Ye di be dwonso dan se grofo susu apara dwonso mu a.
Ah.
Sabo.
Me se Ghana. Se wote me PhD so professor so. Wo bona de te ha. Wo bi a waye bibi papa bi a wo kuta saa yi ni bibia na wo tukwa akwa abrofo me. Wo tukwa akwa abrofo me. Na saa adwen na wo ho no bi no environment ni bi aka no.
Ye pedi fo su tukwan. Wo tutu akwan.
Wo tukwa onu dem koye.
Wo tu na mo koye de.
Wo be ko na no aye reservation obugu hotel.
Okay. Ko so mutu akwan mo huni ya.
Na Tinubu ya tu ababa ni wo se wo ko pali ya ko wabele wo ko dila. O fi pali obeko UK.
Na wo ye to abama onansa.
E kire wo bibi man.
Wabre.
Se je site ba bia ye ko.
Ne.
Ye nye wo ma bia o.
Wo be sombe ayi bo so mi ansa bia be kwa kwaje ahom.
Wo ka kwaje. Ade ya wo ye campaign wabre wo ye sisi. Bibi ni wo ba ko bonsam gem. Sanse wo jibi.
Ya soma o.
Ah. Hwe. Ana me de ana wo ho. Ye mu bi de ye hu wo mo. Obi a wo kasa bia o kasa ma no.
No credit.
And NDC never knows, and MPP about
101.9
entity. Bia. Or me, what an interview.
Won't an interview.
Tabusia, now from my dear, be a foot to say. So who Kosukua in a Wonako? A Juman of Wusia in Wunesian ye. Get ye been able to get be, and away my so much more when you come home. MPP nim wo bia ma na anu ya wo sese ni pegu na ko akwa sese NDC nim wo bia de ma omudi anwa mu ni wie omunsa anwa twon no mu da bebe power no
anu ho esoche hu as wadidi so na kom do
akronfo nko a awudufo nko a o ma na yetim no ba bia ya ba betu
se ne emre bi owura kodwo ponkroma kan ye no eye asemo a yes asemo e se iripa di tuni
was a politician pekwase ya bi ntie yimusuo tunani ya no ohuna na ogina wa sa kwani ni ofani ni musuo mame kana fo mo me anwe ye ho titu ye ne ye nimu ni bi ye chi ni bi no ye bia mo me nsom ye na obi ba politician eni wo ni sika eni watan broche ni wo sika obo obi ani kapre
eno na sesei wo modi abase kwan a political party
samo ba amanyo sem na mu wosika
ande no
obonya mo foma ka tue nyia nta wo man no
wo de beche
samo ba ba mu na mu wajapade se de mu kremu se na mu wona
sa ba bi ka che obi betra so
wa ya professor wa bone bra wo mo bia mo bia bia
obi betra so ka so di sika acha e ba ne nyode esan so wo di che ba bi no
Robin Peter to people Robin Peter to people
ba bi enyuru fa de to kura Debi akatwa ne kokokoko na ba bi enyuru fa no enti mo bi kan tro so di sika ache
amaga na kafra pa
na Ghana
na Ghana fu ebe twia so ka say ye titi o mayi mu ye betua so ka papa me se bibi ni di obekọ bo nsem gem
101.9
wase won sa asinyina wase wuz na no sofo bi se on dey won se bi am je hwe
sofo se
on dey won tu ga am se nti won ka ho na am je hwe traho da fa to ba bi
obi ale tu galam se
traho da fa wo fa ye mobo aya jenkwa wazo 1 na ka se fije so mpesu aso ti se dwumedie ya na ye honya abo afon ka to ne emra ye ba ye beto aso tu ba bia o se emi ehu so ma no ye ntiye in the name of democracy na Ghana democracy and when you je home when you saw o ma ya dua ya wie kura ya wie
sokodua
aka ne ye ba ye twia pia ni sokodua ubowura me papa ya ba na ye kura mu na fuo mu a twia pia sokodua
ya modernize no
twia pia ba na ye friend no bitter leaf no bitter cola no twia pia ba wo ye friend bitter cola ya beni nya se eno no ba bi e krefi Cameroon, Côte d'Ivoire. And you have crab bitter cola, free. Gone are the days who require be a moi.
Ubenebi.
And yes, a cocusi piapia so ne sian pro. Antis haben. Bitter cola, nay a piapia. And they have careful Cameroon, Côte d'Ivoire.
Yebi, Yehubi. Danametona be said,
oh, your mind.
I saw her.
I saw her of away. What else what I call Bessin. When was the last time we said Bessin be this way?
And said Bessin will just.
No, Mukoko, no cry, no say, you and your paying your class woman to be. Mukoko, no.
It's my own property.
Mompesa, my papa, this will be can go out to one Tiasia. Who know, dear man, I will pay my Badoko Kosa. 101.9 safe was car when you were sitting
2 bedrooms.
Okay, say almost cocoa farmers pension scheme. I take you off Washington region. Tia baby.
Tia be who may become monster.
I be pension
pension. Now a bemu put our pension at the OJ. I done it to my say. Now who cocoa queenie. A committee now will pass over your man that pension or now crap here. Where was you gonna mummy and in a hole? Mummy and in a hole. Yanya bought from Catrinimla. Ghana, yes,
my Bonafide property. You
2 months. I built my own 2 rooms at Wedged Makasi, but I worked 20 years without buying even a single plot. Now I have my own premises. So I ride myself on the gold more than cuckoo. Government can never stop Galamsey in this Ghana at all. I have the gold. I have plenty money in my pocket. So I got my cuckoo. Look, I'm now cutting it off. You see, it is my own Bonifay property. Nobody can stop me. Stop cutting my own cocoa tree. See, it is my own Bonifay property. Nobody can stop me. Stop cutting my own cocoa tree. You plant? Look, I'm now cutting it off. You see, it is my own Bonifay property. Nobody can stop. Look, I'm now cutting it off. You see, it is my own Bonifay property. Nobody can stop me. Stop cutting my own cocoa tree. You plant it for me? Plant it for you food and job. Am I involved?
Oh, Papa, no, Nana, where Papa, when you need to say the Casa and the oh, I'd be a wound, ever Ghana. Politicians, Ghana, see, and will be a baby. Obewu se ade ne sam yamedia yes me meja pade sana me to ho mfre bebrebe no me di so a o ma no control and control
na say
so dia nya sa revolution we wona dwene mu a eche tuo
ye ma me no ye papa no kokuofuo no
ma ya so dia nya sa papa man set ya
obunya hwimfim
eche tuo won so fa adwene kuta no
say enuma ko say ya sa do obi abedwene
yes
obi abedwene say na galem say krabo se bi yentu
yes
emi yentu ayentu so enkrofo otu
yes
metina ho tra ho bi kokoi ko be he na katiasi so enshada wo enshada nyam wo papa bi enfra ba ma odi siesie kokoi no afiso na so kokari a ba ge bi ensa entimi fa na nya hwe na okotu galem say okotu asase no sika na bom
wasi dan
what's plenty money
yeah one pocket enti se kokoi akuafo nyanya adwen ya papa ya nya yi a ama Ghana na adu koko ewa ho e de kwaji syndicated loan no
na
Pomaya ya dwene ne ya ma ya dwen kode papa no kan so eni ye bedu ho so koko kuafo nya benya sa adwen no esan se sa abrante kwa bi trase no nya sika se bia be 2 billion no ko ma mi bi wo se ma mi koko yi se na nya wo so 2 billion wo bie so kire no a
koko de kura gigidi abi ntwagu koko de kura
na ye bedu o me se koko kuafo nya benya sa adwen ya papa ye nya yi
ye bom pese
na so be kono so bia koko gu fo mu a eya na de koko akwaje bosia
gisa galamse no betimi akon atu ase
wana ekon atu ase me say papa we yasemu ya wo kan we e wake up call and was o man panyin na adam go gufado whoever we are responsible bia no etu adamo say hey baby aye duo no wo de nke mfa no say nsase ni nsuo na ese no de see enim say aye de ne a ese ba papa we die no oba be kan ese mi twa mi koko gu ye masifie wintimi nsi me kwan
ato
manya sika gu mi botom
plenty money
ma ye koko adwuma mfinhia aduonu ne yakire
wonya ahwe
mi twa gu busu mi mienu pe
bonafide property
mi bonafide property ko se na dan kwa kufa do usu e ko se koko board mpanifo musu agene nya adwuma nti ni koko hwa mo obi ka asem we enyama eni o ma na reho ko se Ghana ye si etrase
Achinkwa FM
ma hey baby ya kwa koduo no kosa na dan kwa kufa do be se ko ayi e what they say
why dey adwuma kasi
nya bi ayi baby etu garam ayi manso wa ko se wa wo se kukuru
be kwai
na wo ko se asem na papa no kan e sa na tie papa na asem na enya asem wa yesem bo sa o wo ba ko bonsem jim Ghana ni wo ba ko bonsem jim
obi enya asore ko
ha
kojo jai ko wati
asofu ma yi
na wonyi wani mom
asofu
wonyi wani mom wati
rasi ko me ani abo afon ka to ni mra ya ba ye beto aso
He wants. What's the wedding is it? Oh, you butu ankasa. Wakaka.
Messi. Lufat na wajima where you?
Hey, malaria drew Lufat. Jama wedding where you hospital.
Sister, where I imagine there. Few hours to my wedding. Na Messi semu huma yeshepe. Linketa was mikuni. My husband is sick.
Hey, Jama otono do. Na basi no yen.
What's the water tested positive for malaria?
No, na basi no one for ambulance na one.
Ambulance. It's not a bicycle. Foam.
No, nyasi from Kakabo.
No, kick. Many me wedding on me make up nina. Sometimes nearest pharmacy. So one meji Lufat.
Entrance pharmaceuticals for one malaria druna.
Inyo. No ye na. One chair. Mukuno china nenadi. A brand pa.
No kuniso. No pona waka that you make kiss the bride. If you want to show day.
No donna. Man no ye donne.
Jija wo homa malaria enka won to them. Lufat. Eye malaria drop test for malaria before treatment. FDA ahwehwe sa edwede nkrato yi ajatum sa eye.
Foligo capsules with syrup your multivitamin for fra. Ejema mo fani benina. Iron, zinc, copper, folic acid, vitamin B6 nutrient ashima. Foligo oxygen aye chuko yemuno. Eje dwuma yi na honam no so nya hode a ehwehwe. Foligo syrup de beda malt ne ewowo ne jama mo fra. Foligo blood building nutrients so won ne pama benefo. Omiketufo ni obi a wayare na hotono.
Yankase.
FD ahwehwe sɛ gye nkwatu mu agya tum sɛ yɛ
Obiara ribisa nida me shiva on a pay me and wasn't brodo Missy oya alternate fatigue in a fever so on a pay me with pizza Missy oya alternate malaria then mo general body pains but I'm free sick of alternate everything be alternate Take off in be the ultimate, no alternate. Malaria fever, no alternate. Nimu fatigue in a headache, no alternate. Weja when yaw, no alternate. Pasta na lot ya, no alternate. Presenters fuka, no alternate. Kaya yo you borrow them, no alternate. Mano mede, also no alternate. Yo, no alternate. Malaria fever, no alternate. Nimu fatigue in a headache, no alternate. Weja when yaw, no alternate. Pastor na lawyer, no alternate. Presented for count, no alternate. Saya you follow them, no alternate. Mano mede, also no alternate. Yo.
Rose, for kitchen video man, maybe Sasa, I have run on assistant.
Bra, also Abremo. Tanya man couldn't acquire a bread. We wait there so two and you had a pa.
You did my children, Papa. I got 2 days, pen and wedding yet, Russo. And
she called relief tablets even now on Taunton. What to me on my wedding case? I don't know.
Cold relief.
Cold relief. Pepper son cocoa. It's me, I want to take it. Which you do. And I know son you see, and answer who must see. Cold relief. A berry relief will ama water on Temso.
Cold relief. Semensiawa and come back now by when was a some way jam back.
Our so. Don't know. Ubenya cold relief for pharmacy be a benwomu. At to phone to being called limited. YF Brono so. Telephone 051 389 success. Cold relief.
A relievement Temso.
Miss Chania Bisaheba capsules. Madame Sieni. Hey, and to what in your pan and what's the sad Bisaheba? What is Sasa? Mandia, wouldn't be. And not dear, for once, my jewelry at Bisaheba Messana, who come from Mamiano. Oh, my number Diwandancy. Miampa Caneno, Namis Namitimina to Cheme, Nami Coco Yadia so teach me. May number Bisaheba Missa, Nina to go, and the Maya free. And the sun radio, yet solid you would watching. I used to see the papa drocas. Me say, a person crying at you, baby. Say, you do say about Mr. and come a no, or don't I cry, Miss Mabuapasu. Nan say, dear, Ujina Brand. A fire do say about Captain, no, says a midnight, who's a me a Bamamua. I genie, a young crap. At the sun rate, or be to me, I just appeal for. I just done for anyone I wouldn't fit to me. Kumasi, at to find out of phone call to say about Santa in the clinic. I was swimming macro, go filling station down Wemo, and a swam Pentecost I sold down. I fear Yana, I have a shopping from a CPM. Free 0500 110 115. I do say
I say yay, Prestige Electronics at Shadian Kwa, Atajufowa, and what's it then? And media Sampanam, Prestige Electronics, what's the brand now? Electrical, no menino, Benasuye, and Penisi, and your Dantani Danto, Dantani Nesika Cobano, and Unti, and your baby and sister Wujina. Now, electrical appliances, Uto, Mr. Bra Prestige Electronics, Yedia sit Padzi, Nayan Chawadze, and Unti say a TV set and our pay, gas cooker, home theater, yawa deep freezers, Akasia, and Enkitsua, Ewaho, air condition, washing machine in Yakika Kahunano, Woba Yanashia Honwa, Ebi Waho, Ebu, 101.9. So, what's your new ma? Yama 1 year warranty. Esa ya Fabra, Yebisi amount. Sawoto and your ma ewa ya Kumasiha and our day Kwankwa dear Woody How. Baby Adi Kobia, ya the Beko amount free. And Untisa Wutu do Dromo and Asa Bakubakono, Shayachra Kwine, Yawo Kumase, Abripo Junction, Shipum, Kotoko Junction in Chenhua. Freyan 0598 066 164 and 0200 406 666. Prestige Electronics and your papa.
Sorry, dear fa. One casa with the walk who Musha Meskin. Ama Misha Taria Memrecra. Yamisha Skin City Laboratorium at the Pa and the Tono. Yaya hyperpigmentation and a hypopigmentation. And no ya the one who do via a war with Yenania. Skin City Pair and a bit me a free home. Malesma, a yen so pay a one man named Sam Ben a Riasha show freckles and then Kika home. And no dantaya Kabibisa acne. Acne a pimple a bunny penny. A bit yes, yawa ititosis. And not one of them say out on Sakao skin now. Well, Phyllis skin a rare fish, a year rare home. Senior and a white dot and a patches about with DNA. Uber so wow with DNA now, Munum said the Abu plates and our guidance and a keratosis and also a strawberry. Strawberry night players a wood jacoqua. Said the Aqua what see a Simon Kadamkademono and your anti-aging facial creams and no SCS or wrinkles. And many pediana son for fair and yes, I was a worry was canning yes. I yes can city laboratorium pay and a mecan for the amount. And you was dry dark knuckles and no air will search ya tuntum. What must have been a color for pa. Now so in search ya yinama. I feel you were dark neck. Uko say no. Now you tomb and you was severe dry skin. You was severe oily skin and a damaged skin skin repair when it as wasa a Skin City Laboratorium and a mekan for the amount facial and body waxing a wow so Skin City Laboratorium panya ya was so mampo affordable house and shiny mupe for 0248936297 0248936297 so it's my phone
house me to roofing ni nyina eliki se komo de wa fix kitchen na menye wadi anema
we dey fache me madam fu bi edi MCell Construction Services Limited one dance area cheme na osi Easter yi omo ye promotion ti omo tete omo ne mani na so
MCell Construction Services Limited mixi wo monka enye ne se ba ne plumbing wo efie na eliki no wo kitchen cabinet se wo pem no na se wo pese wo siesie dada no ni nyina omo ye na so meka shit na wo winti
yesi nye no kwa eno omo yo se e ba ne electrical works omo si dan mono dan dada ofie no dia ye bia na yesi e boss frame asase ekosi na wie no MCell Construction Limited yesi omo ya de papa ene ma me frɛ omo na omo mesisi ha emfa ma ye
mira se omo ba ha bia enye ye nhwe na ye interior decor no omo nye na hoho aye beji omo estate omo ni nje pa MCell Construction Limited omo me fie ya ya kona nkasa
odofo se de me yire ni yesi agi won su betima frɛ MCell Construction Limited e wa homa trofo so 0244843480 ana 054157827
MCell Construction Services Limited echi kwan wo Kumasi Accra Winneba Cape Coast Achima Crosso Enetakrade
MCell Construction Limited
we build your dreams to reality.
Ahaya tenkwa wanzo 1.9 kasafije so mpesu yaso tise dwumedie ni yasin konwa no peye de esumwo edwedi adwendwe o magana wo nese mudo bochi problem abaye no pejifo betrase emi pense mu preso a wadwenche nsusu ye je sanse ya na eboa ye pa konkan emoma no yehu ba bia ye pese ye diko ewom enye baye na brewa dwode nanso imia ye ni yesesa adwen no de mra ene hye to ho a ebia de bi ye bela besole no na afa ede amaye ye stream live ewe ye Facebook page no so Ajenkwa FM Kumasi 101.9 Ajenkwa FM Kumasi 101.9 YouTube Ajenkwa FM live oba obehye obe like no comment wi ase nyina ebete onka na no na uwe piem wo so abato ampesu yeso ndisi amekuni di mu owura ba ko a wanya ni so ade hunu se wo begira sem na sebedwani wa bla esi ahenefo betina se na ne nsemu a wo kan to wo maso a wo magya so de ato abama no me kire yira Frank owusu ansa do na friend Red Bone wa de nkra ta koi na sika wo so otwa nyina wo tua na nisu ade hunu wada na di de se nyankompon ye na domo a na otimi be yemra sebedwani ewo swami abato mpesu esu a obeye di amane manfo ane swami man asante man ne Ghana enyina na aduana ba meni no atwetwe nkomo yentie nsemu a yewura Franco wusu ansa ali tu dwa no nani so ade hu okuta no de opese woyo anamontu a wotu yenko na yenkotie ni nsemu ya tibigu apawa so yemo yentie
Diana ba mamingina akonwa iso na menda swami manyina ase na menda NDC executive members ase branches ene ye delegate nyina se ampa owo hu dwumadie a yade nyina Franco so ansa betimedi aboa swami ntino mepeke form a me file ye omotimi endoso a ena meka sei metimi asomete forms no meda swami nyina ase na Michelle swami bo se na meboa na mebeye kendini a minni won hwamoda because minim ble a ewo swami ha na minim constituency no problem is a yefam na make sure se party mano se bi 2024 obibia eho ebetono de ohia edwuma de ne de education de ne de sika sem nyina no ma santo training nyina ato ho a ede eboboa swami special mazi for no me hu se bi hia new modern technology e de aboa won ndwumadie no tini nyina no ma ye ho dwuma ato ho a me di investors ebeba na yabɛyɛ ndwumadie de aboa so ameman enti no aduanaba we de mema mekasawa enwa no kakra ambese medima so amefo ene sabi NDC ma enie edobi bia ase eyezu eyeza
we aye Franco Wusu ansa aka Redbone na wode na nyisuade hu do peso yo ade ba ko aye meda obo so ye Maxi be da we nyenne obi aba na me mu sei we obi aba na me sei bedika aka se Maxi na da ho e yo man asa Ghana ma etinani ahweni yie a e wo kwa be mo man de timetumpon enti yewura Franco Wusu ansa waka ye de mpaibo eta wachi ye sesi ahemfo se brado so a won sem a wo ka no won mo fantu susudua so na won mo enya so nto aba no emfa emam aya agenkwa 101.9 kasafidie so mpesu aso tise dwumedie na yesinkonwa ye de esumwe na anopai yenko na yenkodi nkomo na yenti yanko social commentator oyochicheni akra watrase na wo ba be som ne mai ye hwe animu se Dr. George Akom ukopiemu ewo Technology University a ho na akra wono so wodi ne dwuma wodi bre na wa ba be som ne mai na omano akonenim na mamemfa weyi entwamu awura no mienu bi de aba be da ye se wonu nua ba ne wonu wo faase wonu pe wonu ma wonu hu omu Muhammad Dramani ene Bernard Goro and one say one we by a friend say Abiba. Efa motoka efre tifido mantem wedana. Ebe kumase. Ema motoka no kra ba be sin wo so ameboga station. Na obedu ye no ena omu ye se o ene wo munti so na onko fa Abiba ene won wo fa ase no emre fie. Won ba so ameboga station ho a wa ko nutu nata won mu hunu Abiba ene won wo fa ase. Wanu chesa Abiba we nipa wo wakaka na wasai we tuntum na ne baba yo ano kan ho wanya besa afi ba ko entu hu oba bi otesa na sabi nani aye ntotonto na uhwe enyenya mu no na se bia woso bia wafom kwan na wayira no ma police station bia be obia aso ati Mohammed Dramani ene Bernard Goro chese wonu modi kan bo so na posifo amane Uso mu bibi sa betimi apusu sa ahome 0598 71 82 01 0598 71 82 01 na 0553 41 37 08 ofre Mohammed Dramani ene Bernard Goro ema won mu hunu won mu nuaba Abiba ene won wo faase a won mu ebeda wo asepa na yesre momwa na wura no munyi Dramani ene Bernard Goro won mu hu won mu nuaba ene won ewo faase no na bibia enye fan wura no matransi de ma menko won mu nten na mema won mate ema won makwa aba na yemfiti yedwumadi no ase nana mira akura fie boko de mira onyankopon adom na mpa ebo wade da ho kukura yem kakra yes sene Bible eka se enidaso ho ho no saa ne enso yade ye ho ato so a se enidaso ho Ghana na nsimu madwana ba saa ho tia no pe menjia na menjia watiefo titiri no momo abefo ntintankese no so na omudi achi edi mu nwumedi nyina achi no ye chia obi adwana ba okay elder Kweku Ajenum baby obi one mama Reverend Asante ene Dr. Akom ene busanfo a eti nyina adwana ba radadum Dr. George Akom ukopiemu wo Ghana Communication Technology University a ho na akra odini dwuma na drufia da se ya na odini bre na bo afode e di amaga na man na wa ba beso na ne tag ne die na die na ne tag ne we ni na to wakoyi Dr. die ne die na dwen se wunyi ni ne enyi ni china sanse oyoma bapa dog if you boko die me ho ye me mwachi na minchia etifo ne ahefo omo etie ewo mframa mu ni be fontin tanze ye Facebook
na menchia mo nso so menchia me nua tenanko reverend ne reverend Asante ne ya papa Eldaji ni Mbwati ya me nua Kwakwantwi menchia madehye wasecha from plains nyina na menchia Ghana man menchia ahemfo mo so bo adwumadi bia ye wo Ghana ha nipa said you can would sorry also we baby we have traveled about 12 hours
wow
from Menwa and Amede Asabe into the Bian also your bumpire say benya ho de ne yetima besom to de Ghana said you nyina ye penny ye no ye be kan bi say ne bi no mutie na mo fa mu aba ne bi ene bi ho so a mo nya kwanya ntie bi no na mo ati ndi mo so mo di dwuma so pa said be ameta bom aba so say mo so sum ne ho anka o man ne sum be dore timo the fourth arm of the government mo bojuma de aboa o man ba bia ya ne hia ne said de mo hu no mo nka ne saa Dania de how bebre na de eba ye be ka se mo ya de oni crew ni nyina no pa ye mamo so mo achi na ye nchia GM so so ya nya BIs Rashid Yakini mo a mo bo ama ye nya ye hwe wo Abefonten times so bibia be fine
bibia be fine asem no de bibia be fine okay nana yonhwe yewra doctor was say ya oditwum soafo a wo hwe o menwu masua so nya kwanya kopie mu na se bidwe fie mu se wo koyi nsemfuo bi ano ya ho no wode kokoto bia se efi 2017 ebesi 2021 sika omano ede abobla ode awura enwumasua mu free SHS eye opepepepe enum 5 billion Ghana cedis ena ode aboho bra yenhwe anopay gains ya yenya edi efrimu sika na koye no adwuma e wose eye sa na wose eye faso a wose o manga na nsa e ka no womu se na sika no wankasa wose finance ministry ede ban ye 7 billion but emu 5 billion if 2017 besi 2021 ena ono de ayi dwuma na mfaso de a o man saka eni dwuma de edi no so far yenhwe se de sitie
Ira medawase na ma bonetete o mumre nti say ira bitwum ye be chia no pay e ho na me ejuma ministries
okay
ejuma Ghana Education Service
okay
under his ministry di e bibia no ya na wono ni di enim na edwana ba anope on because you know e be chia say the doctor can say our country's issues are cyclical.
Kenku kwa na bisnichi.
Me mbo fidie ya so. 4th March 2022.
Okay.
Ofidie ya so na efiada.
Yeah.
Future one. Among the topics ebe kan ho asem wo fidie so. The free SHS was part.
4th March
yes.
2022.
Yes. Na ensem a mekan ene ne mpanifo kan e bia na ene yes abeka. Now that was when we were told that the government of Ghana was using 2.4 billion on free SHS. Now that's the same 2020 your friend is saying 2022 no. We were told, Graphic Online, that is graphic.com, July 2023 in 2021.
Yeah.
Graphic Online and graphic.com in July 23,
okay,
2021 had reported that the government of Ghana had spent 7.62 billion on the free SHS.
Okay.
And now we are being told 5 billion. These are figures. And these figures have a lot to do with money. And I will make this humble appeal. The figures in the system, in the media space, are just too many. One say, Mama, the July 23, 2021.
Okay.
it was reported say 7.62 billion. Now, in 2022 October, in 2021 October, 1.6 billion was said to have been 1.6 million was said to have been yearly amount spent. Then on the same matter in 2022 March, discussed now, it was reported 2.4 billion had been spent in that year. So if you look at these statistics, and lie, where is the money? If I should go by the 7.62 billion, which is higher, way higher than what has been quoted by the minister, is it that he's not being given the real figures? Or is it that the 7.6 billion that we were told was not the actual money, and that somebody says something just to tell us something?
Okay.
That is the premises. I want the records to be set straight. How much has actually gone into the expenditures?
Okay.
Now, as I speak with you currently, Ghana owes Ghana 575. 575 billion Ghana cedis. Now, you were 2023. So we got a K 5 billion. Let's assume we are assuming without admitting. See if I'm sanity. Every 575 billion more. Every Emra Yunra Kufuado, any the MPP administration, not the government. We have the government of Ghana and the MPP administration. And taking the amount of we introduce the free SHS. 2018 and the free SHS starting. So 18 to 19, let's assume say 5 billion. 19 to 20, 5 billion. 2021 to 2020 to 2021, and also 5 billion. You have 5 billion, say you 4 anyway. What about 20 a year, 23 a year, in year, you add. Yes, you 20 billion on free SHS. Now, in 2017, when the government assumed power, Ghana had a debt of approximately 125 billion. Okote 125 billion year free, 575 billion more. Yeka ASA. If you do that simple mathematics, Ubahunu say, Yeka, that is Ahabema 0, Ahabema, your friend is say 5, now amount 4. There's a 450 billion. That's without the free SHS. So this would be the amount Ghana owes.
Okay.
Now, I did this analysis and this statistics for a study because you believe we say, Nanadu Amemwono, and this current administration I witness now. A cow mobile pado do on Anna, Yagra say, free SHS. Who take you 20? Is Akaya Yabui. Still, you take 450. 450 no cocotte 125 in free. Would you take away the 125? You will still get 45 if free Hanma. Mahaba Binya, what you wear, Ababinya, Akobo Sandy, Abaha 10, what to 5 for free, a haka 4, what to 2. Aha, Abe 2 1, a car 3. 325 billion. 325 billion is the money. Quantum of money, so what can one at the whole. And son and another befa a banner from 2017 and I be ping there. Yaka a year 575 no. What's it could be anana abo a was cool and the cana a wohan son or be free one. A just a bessia abono. A kaya the idea 325 billion. And you know about the infrastructure, hospitals. Acquire who recently and I spoke at the zone and say, one and I crying and some people are crying, say it could be a one.
Okay.
So my simple question is, when are we going to play this kind of politics?
Okay.
And when are we going to stop it? Now we are being told by a minister of the sector that 5 billion echo a friend is a free SHS. Free SHS, it is an ISO.
Okay.
May I want to be realistic? You need some free SHS have challenges. That is not to doubt its benefits are me looking at in a very short while. Amania free SHS no one a dozen. Yes, it says schools in the baby. Womu tipia, Sana Santebecano.
Sir, Union is a national minister who can say 1 hour and shed more homodeno.
Obekulizino.
Na Yacham Kodanagu.
And already, I think it will be another topic for some other time. I think Minister spoke on maybe a reason, on some reason. Okay. And it be a compelling man cancer. But all that I want to say is say, Omano, ye Jessica, ye spendisica, Nesican ye baby, you know, ya na impact no baby a chrono na mother be a opinion. Drawing this analysis for our short with the economists, you know, when you say Sabio Quasi any mush, you know, Mufancha Quasi any mush, you know, Docuna Twashi would Msabi. And you know about you've taken a lot of money in this short space. Yet people keep talking and asking a lot of questions. Nanaya day, Nanaya day, Nanaya day, Nanaya day. And you know about Senanaya day and Nanaya, you know. 20 billion has gone into our free SHS. Now he's taking 325 billion. That is how much he's taking. Now I was looking at the quantum of compensations and salaries this government pays every year. As at 2021, that's where my analysis ended. Yeah, time now me continue to 2022 and 2023. And but the government is spending somehow 7 billion plus on compensations and salaries every year. You see,
okay.
Yeah, I've always cried, say, not until you be a banya, Obama public sector, where I'll be more productive. Nesike wura hono etime tua kade kafo fra bre emfaso bre no ye bekos wa mo bia aba no be ni omu ye ade adwe na bagana no will collapse. Because you see, Nanado spends about 7 billion in paying salaries, compensations, debts. Yeah, the Yaki be account. Yeah, means market to the mammy and say, or Chichi in account. So, go first 7 billion, a bit so. Now, Baba check a month 325, we share a few years a car, any care that we are, Ubun baby again is Kanakoshe.
Okay.
So, again, let nobody play politics with a canna here, dear. That is one fact I want to establish. Yesi kana yejiano, yenian yechedi. Ghana ye system. There's everything wrong with it until the system is holistically and dispassionately looked at.
Okay.
By all political device. A divide no. Ye bekos wa ko buba besia. Near the ababedi, anaya bedin ye wia Yakubu says kana yeden e wo hene. Now the about who said now the government we have been talking about it say esun. But when you ask people which part of the governance and not governments no more can esun no munko everywhere, they are not able to tell you. Now you have people trying to take advantage of the situation. Yeah, omo wa be mu ntimi nchire mu yie. Ema nipa wo say gidie ne hunu nyete no ntimi ntiase no. E take advantage. Play on the emotions and the intelligence of people.
I don't so much way.
I don't know not until we really establish these facts that Ghana has had 10 regions before. Now we have 16 regions, right? We have increased district assemblies.
Yeah.
Ghana had 169 districts. Now as I'm speaking to you, we have 216 districts and metropolitan assemblies. 200 how many? 16.
Okay.
Ghana currently has 275 MPs, among which everybody takes salaries, takes ex gratia. District Assembly see, Obia Prea Pebibi, Obia Pebibi, they are called the Chrome. Now, free SHS are spending 5 billion and I am spending, and it's not what matters most to me. But what matters most to me is the quantum of monies we take and the things we use that money for.
Okay.
I don't know about, as I speak with you, it looks like the system is making it possible for everybody who is assigned a role to play in the matters of this country, just go for low. Now, fire. Assembly, where's the here say? Assembly, we be here, we. Assembly, we be here, we. We are pursuing now the Zikana Sakutiaka. How do you progress as a nation? It is about time policy makers, leaders look at how much money. Now this free
policy makers were.
I don't know about in books we have, but as to how what they have written.
Also, we know say National Planning Commission for the enough is enough. Projects here will be by 1 to us so 4-year development plan. Wow, that no moon side on my.
I don't know about a been a making. Inti Sabisian and Akoji, for you may know, a dying out GCC, it be a woman in the west of scenario. Now you find say NPP administration of Chow. You find say PPP, a buy and CPP, a buy and aba. Oba who say Sadia na Ghana sika ye de ye no. Ehu hia ma Ghana say no majano. Say we are hospital na hu si o. Remember aban nyuma hodo o mampani kofo adan we see no asokware mampon. Ya nanse no mu wie. Enka ya apora ne sa. Ghana boy ahodo from 1992 a budget pade ye do man sika. There's no government called MPP in this government. Let people get it right. We have administration. MPP administration and this. Who said? So when you are not quiet, a quiet way you manage a man, no means son. Who's who quite ask way and went to me for bit to me. Yam friend quote and Muswa. Fagusu. Now, some mind a bit to me. Other than that, a baby aba. A quiet one in one will tell more, you know. Any bus means yan also quite a bit. Maybe you free baby and give free. Actually, say, I don't know about see a new beer. Or best bring a no yaku could rack no crash a young Ghana for. As I speak with you, meaning, I don't know about
Yenya so Binya be
now, so I don't no one for episode did not buy. Obenya could draw. I can't no crash no me owners of Bessian will be monkody. No, your body and
Yenya be. I don't know about it. Say, be welcome. Unihana, a Samo Dubik, Mahama.
Easy, MD for the friends, easy.
Was a course were banners on your course. I
don't know about Uncle Fra.
None ye away, none you say, well, yet, will you could act to a bee? Ha, I
listen to him.
Was a course were banners on
that. I pray so because when you could do what me. Diving small into the benefits before Dr. Now, I think they use expresses more on that. The FHS has been one of the tremendous policies and our policy. A buy no dia buy e be boa na aboa in fact aboa I must say maybe your chichi no aduana ba so be chem Friday na e be wi na mo ne na mu fie no mo ntimi anto aso na na are hosem but now a highly pants obe no say Ghana kwada be wi junior higher wanko now the attendance no increase tremendously on say enkra no be fan say wo ha ne be wi a obetimi anyam be 95 for eco school e kan ne nte sa nti eno no de aboa enrollment amamofra no bebrebe anya school mu ayede akotretana ya enkahida to sa amre no mbako wura no ma bi enyem no say so ayede anti however the challenges still look or stare at us in the face yeah what's your share ebine your friend said aduane a enkonim remo won say eko and no mo ye head teachers ne matrons ne ade wo senior high na aduane ba nya izo eden na ba adwuma no nya bibia na obetimi abeka na bonten say de meti ya meka bi nti ya na mo kasa no duruma bi o muntimi meka the futures has serious challenges yeah what say we matter the stakeholders parents CSOs your friends the civil society organizations the media and will be our matter you of Ghana hono be trans no mahunu na aka no kra kire ye ho say yenya na ban di ba ye tutum na so be akoduro no se ekwaso asa ban no nko anya e be gi egu e be bo enu nti na die ne ye be yesa awofo e die ne be yesa o man na such a policy atena ho. I think that is where we need to have that conversation. Yeah, MPP ni NDC. Yeah, I'm trying to say, yeah, Ghana for not challenges. I don't think it is beyond us. You bet me solve it. baabi aduane no nkora ne nya bi nie light ho nsɛm adan ahodoɔ baabi nkora ne bi nya bi na aduane school bi wɔ akɔduru nkora ne nyina to community mu aduane ba risking the lives of the kids. Yeah, it needs to be critically looked at. And I believe the benefits are though enormous. If you are in the next 5 years, in the next 10 years, and as 5 years, it's a year, so fast will be pa. Nanso, and many we are a maniana de bano, young chances of mine. Okay. Nian Jenny, Nian shop compare the Befaswa, going for it, a Becoswa Tanaho. And I believe no political party should take the administration of this country and decide to take this policy off. Those challenges. Many needs to be able to be to say. But we have had policies, sir. No, you believe we sir, but Omodiato to a Yimoa and Ababi, the current friend is national health insurance. How is the states now? Abayuma who do a jute factory away. Okay. Policies be no more and ye had them who now want to send it. Okay, we are praying and hoping. Say, I buy any amano who are who move to me, your multiple no may it is one. Ghana and they have had their time. Come together. No moon say, oh, my way, a year almost, any almost be our may, now be a more general, or Monfa, a could draw and no cray any menu. Now, Omonshire no may, intimate and 5 billion a year. In fact, again about Mimi say, if that's how much is going into the free SHS, then we don't have a problem with money because this is not that much. Yeah, free SHS, 5 billion. Again, if you are spending 5 billion, 7 point something billion on salaries and compensation, and you are spending this on free SHS, then we need to do more. Okay. Nana Yontinko and Yatini Carmen called Dr. Georgia Como na Accra Yinti on also. I don't know what Medasi. As some parts you media. Yeah. Message at you for Nafifobium. Free HS in Hunsem. Yati there be a cock naba. Minima de Crunti as a abeyo mano a casa semua, there be a casa fahum. But your match there will be our different opinion on matters a bum. It is will be chair Nabia, Yabecasa democracy, and Maquinsa. Na and semua Wagana ha. There be a cano, a manuanti. You say no cray is subjective. And yet, idea no credit, or say, we na a friend no credit. The state of the mind. A chance to be a not been a crowd, would him say kind, but not been much and say, so say, and you may be higher or Mumra. Yeah. Last time, we made the records of any power, Momo Frese, presidential staffers, Nessa, and remember Bobo Sochero. Say, I'm a manuanti, they say BBIA, because call presidency. The presidential staffers are different from civil servants. Okay. But you buy a canning in Afra. We do have a typist and ye party be in the corner and a human wakunya. And now we will have a doho or praho, IT4 or honumino, or me a juma for the under civil service. Okay. A buy back no that's but normally they are from presidential staffers near my mom letter be a buy or more juma as a ban by SSR yitimi floor. So we had a tragedy will be Dudua Bako. The Anoma Corona Ban we have from Crawford Dudu and Crawford maybe crowded this will be 6,000 presidential staffers. And which was not true. Indiana some of these things in India near my mechanic say yente any many biase but so person which reach monsoa a man obesa beam a many pano because oboa entina na James Randi or Kase was those who believe without reason cannot be convinced by a reason. Those who believe without a reason cannot be convinced by a reason. So we have biba or no dear nijidie no we dear was hana mijina and this all the idea bana no kura was say me dem abunu agumasum and ntina sometimes no ebu a obi say akan obi a was any oteno because say obi ti asem no nipa no wo ka no ejina nipa no so the career of the message no so count in understanding of messages so otina nko bi a wo de onya manyonyi wo ka ekwan e be fa so a e beti no be different from so be hwe na bia papa si dun ketie kasa na say bia papa ayinsu ntim or the chairman there be many national chairman in team Collins na Stephen Tim ya papa Stephen na bia o kan
said the Uber no be different. Didn't make us a manual about the cajon. But that said, no, free HS was a my year can. Niama a one museum and infasua in Yadubia, and even Sabis offer or mine be a free. Any baby I bedra, Ubia Becas and museum to an ammo mubia no boy. Na Usheniama, we are see any amamu near my chichimua. A dear bia as a nipano, and see Jose, we see ho, and to be about in a year, no, oh, come once a more, yan any public brief is any impact. See ye quiet the house, every car coffee fee. Ubi be say, a bino abon homo dear you quiet, as soon as I do be a kusqua, or be a medical doctor, or you a mino, as he ho, say a henqua. And I do one Sanya man de benign individual. So what in Uncle one or school. And was soon at the end when you win the end, I would try then ye tell a banner say Tioka. The same first one where we nye and a one I would trust Wabao. But one way do that was also because Nim the enemy nowadays to think if he's a Dutch woman so a baba bisim. And this will be Bobby B who casa and see her a monumental as is her. One here, Obekaza, the Enocra, no said, and fast win so. But or might be no said the be a can was a human capital. Many there hasn't been any time when we be a cobe be a main country will say, or might be a bedia, and a young messiah. And then you see the collapse of education is the collapse of the nation. If you see him dia here, and near my debay, and no bemo man at Tumpons. Is a confonoche as you doctors in Indian answer, Bomoco pension, ye demand to tiff for our mamma, Miss Woman, and then I'll obey you. Wako maybe your quest will be to be a sabi a tibon coso and timinchu and timinking kind. And once you are away or mine near Nas or mine or copper service or on a dear announcers obey day, obey. And until no may be no fun sector by sector, a beer here, a beer complemented the effort of one other. And the Sebastian can once a nebia as a kekoa. Yenhe said the Sicano Yusuno. The 5 billion is not for a particular year, it's an accumulated figure. So it's not about Sebia a few in Kwanskaya spend it. It was a accumulated figure for the free HS since its inception. And now we go to say ABR 5 billion or multiply by 4. The first time on free HS the government spent 480 million. The following year, 2008, the government spent 1.3 billion. Then 2019, it spent 1.6 billion. And then 2020, it spent 2.4 billion because NASA time and almost see a dying to take away the double track. And at 2021, we spent 1.9. And we had the cumulative value and a kikakohon until a fibia dear enku. But we might be a children of fiafi. And then a budget here, say a few. And now we put it together. Nanka said, now we can. There wasn't a ministry no more. That's 7 billion. No? But we cumulative a nusa. Once a fibia kakrabekem, a fibia kakrabekem budget there is not always there. Another or the amount is budgeted. Sebia Yesu say ABI and Sabekesika in Duka, the Edibamano. Electoral Commission in your budget, you always need to meet it. It could be up, it could be down. But we had a cumulative figure vis-a-vis the enrollment trend here. We had a gross secondary school enrollment here. It will reflect, say, in Nipa or Moniji Free Senior High School, no, at Dawson. If you take the gross secondary school enrollment from 2011, it was about 55.57% for Hanum Chichimua, Duenum near Chiripobe, Duenumunson. 2012 was 56.44, 2013, 67.76. 2014, 64.06. It was a cost because actually, no, this crowd, this are back we buy almost what my friends say, progressive, a buy and education. But we share the time, the paradigm shift by the kind of year, 2017, it was 69.01. Any jump call 71.32. Call 2019, jump call 74.68. And 2020. We have a jump call 77.67. Thereon, teenagers say 10 BI can cost be dependent on the number of students I admit to because you see a bacola be a hoka saying and Colani doors one man cost. But we heard the trend ya me did general cancer money. Nature say, next school nini hono, ne hankrof will be free senior high nini hono. A buy in Tinem Crofonia Quenya, or Mudi be at the airport. Someone in one be bringing a Bian come back. And T. Sebasse and Naquenya Bani, a corner be our four. I bet to Tony man kakra at the Abuami at Media. Why not? about spending of government a year, I was so happy say you were profound. Say sometimes you any cost item back could be any account. When you look at revenue generation in Ghana, almost about 70% call yakatuem. Salaries and compensation.
Okay.
Now you be akutuya ye kaya de na de aka na de bo man ho bra. Last time I gave you the figures, I've forgotten and I can't recall exact figures, but if you look at how much you
first quarter 2021 2020 is what I have here. The first quarter, if I should help, 2021 first quarter we spent 7.35189 billion
in compensation. Exactly.
Compensation.
I will quantify into percentage. Representing a certain percentage. Big percentage of what we receive as revenue. And say sometimes will be cancer. Say, a be a boy a car in Chemnia dia. Yana Mabusam who said, time no na in the honor. What was the state of the nation? We are free be financial slack. Sisika buswa krana hunyo ya udini sabi seni emfata.
Okay.
Enutuna obi a obenye sika kase ententem bia no. Se dan wan hwe ya ne nkwan kro obesesa no. But when we are constrained, ma wo ye oniema yi. Bia no obi a ne sika so bia obone bra sa ne sika no. We say by sika bu so a mankofo kra nya bi de ekoba bia o mope.
Okay.
Free HS niema enan a ejina so a na ye hwe ye access say ye nuanum bi wo ha omunya kwanya ko mu be kon so omunya. You see, no so afri ho kakra. First crowd we started with this cut off na be group brebi no na unisa qualification and answer that aggregate na wuntimi nya dey enkobi. But we were doing more worse than good because any people who are baby crow no school no. Now we nya the necessary support. And you know that me say I was always supporting what Professor Andam Ken West no ye say bia wo dua na akọ prempe we aggregate 9 net tina nkoko se cha from school na o famwa we member priority 2 tina nkwa we nya bi aggregate 15 because we never had the same resources.
Okay.
Enti say e basa no a so we kasa say nipa woman nko school ni bia we di na wu. But we share research ya obi wu say sankro no bakra no mo bom homoden. That is why I say biem mu bia nya kwanya eguramu bi ebeboa meta no ka say school no aye kon nye necessary say me konam de tire ba beti me mu enye necessary say ye kono bia ye wi a obi abenya dwuma direct from the government but it gives the opportunity to individuals now afin so amount that opportunity again say one ka so bit me fish for bibia wo pebia and the Aristotle mo time of the school by on the Plato no they didn't bring the school just out of say Emra school they said say as I've always been quoting, to have a perfect democratic society, you need to educate the people to rule and be ruled.
Okay.
In this basa no mpanifo ekodi akan omunyina omo adwene te say because nipa omo society mo bi ne kwa kan difo in training special people to become leaders of the country and this ya nye ne yi a high then we come to equity and equality akane no nsabe nanka sikafo ne ahiafo ye ntamtwe ho ebi ne mo atonton mo ntema kora akwala no du form to ma me ntema sakwa mu a wantimi anwie wo.
Okay.
Me nuanim bi wo ha me no mo share adesua se na wo kodrobo nso a ne o mo fa nche me o ma dane akwa winsafo because ye betu admission fee 1.1 pesos wo mo anya satam no man no emutie no na edris anti no because wo man bi mo odian na so o man mo edian me ba ss na me sika me papa me wo fa ya 4 man ene betu as admission na ma me atukwan no mu ni ho na me nya admission was betu 1.20 pesos that time it took me wo fa no awokoton na bura no wado a bro several bags of maize and this time no man no na yet gold so some of these issues were by and the diagrosa and yes and you that time kwabensia mo no mo aggregate 6 e wo drobo nso no wo mo ma me no anya aburo ni bia ntonti ene wo kodrobo nso a me nkangu nanim ase ko bedi akomuti o mo nanim o Dr. Boamemo eni search from prince wo mu mo ko hwese kwabensia na obi a so intelligent hwe akwala no wo ade so na ono wo maame ko tete ahaban wo so wo kokora day student say yakro be kwaba na yase unim se wo twa A1s no ye ne ko buru na no a whole university some of them of what I said before economics one na top ye and in kasa free senior high school you ankakola we enka himfa na we ye be dey ebeba enti atesi ye gu aba no ye de ya ugu abi be fifi sa na wi ase adabo ye de etie ubetum kra de akola bi akotena kra suma pa ni trim de ade na chim on fa ni school no awakọ ne nyahwe but wanya ntete kakra e wa disua no awaye de wanyenum the more nipa esu ade no na enema bi o ha nka bi a wo mo beye no na so te unimi se we mu kura bae no when it comes to teenage pregnancy so te aka ne mpre wanyin se no ne ade no obi ani ampre se o mewie secondary school o wie kura na wontimi nko na nim abekọ no otonton ne man kakra o filling station ho wodidi mo anu aye remedial kakra o be na wo hye immigration atare o be no hye nurse atare mo nko bi. Okay. Because the kind of market was a weird year Maubotum, and the free senior high school I have described as one of the poverty reduction strategies. Yeah, a bema here for near Sikafuase. And no, baby, I'm a core, yeah, I'm 2 and more crime, you know, I'm a core schools on it. I do for one, I'm coaching woman, can I say, and penny force, I pay the baby, I'll bet now be an then any day. And say, me, baby, I'm starting school, baby, I'm a canoe, yeah, yes, I may canoe cow. Now, me, mamma, come here, me deco school, and na me, qua me, coach, so I'm beside the Beffy, you could have bonsoir, go with the Akumicha no pay. And then what come here na classroom e ti na no teacher nkroma mo no mo kire classroom no na ye mfutrum and na ye sua de wo drop on sa atakwa me dan na nsia na ye buza atakwa me no but we say ye didi mu an kakra entinam say tisa bagu e bi be free mu aba se nyanyame adom na me wo fire for man e be tua eskai ma me na me be pie mu na sa ta me nya ntime bi anton a enkama nkobi kamini ba bi a menenam enti mo kwan the here say you betimi abo ho bai enti we heard the 4 key pillars of the free senior high school. One, access, which I have talked about. Second, about equity and equality. Say obi a wo fata bia so betimi akobia e ma ne kwan na ye ma communities no be access. Then the third one is about sustainability, funding. Okay. The one say ye ka ho asem a abaye boachi bidin. Then the other one ye ka be sisu nyina say ye ni nyina awie na anso aba ya bregu ne relevance. Okay. And tinansa who say aban no yen hihye say it will be linked to our development. And into STEM, STEAM, TVET and all other things ever. Ubusa tinankwa ni ma aban no there about 12 thematic areas aban by critical thinking, creativity, innovation and all aspect, morality, leadership oni ade de nyina ahye mu bi. Ba enye sabre ni ye betwa so aba. Enti mo man ntra ho no mo nko mo na se da che ye wu kwa wo mo susu atimi anya akwanya ababubu a wo man chichire. Okay. Wo ni say no e da ho sa no Germany. So ya meta ka kire wo. Enye school no ko ne say wo de tabiti wo say school no eniema mienu. You have education for knowledge, education for job. E bi metima ko school no kra wo no wonfa e me ye hwe ne ma men kan kire wo. Say obi wo business ni na uni matwetwera wa huna mane wo business mu ni makenkan wa ye wa huna mane entina wo call WhatsApp platforms wo mu ntimi nge kom do audio any voice note higher than sa wo twera wo mu nte meme ye PTA chairman e ma schools bebre say wo hwe na wo kasa say e bia say anu ye no but we kra na ye pese ye twera bi ntimi ntwo bi but the be kakra no bia betima twera hu akenkan wo fuwa won kra wo bia wadwuma na yesi bu hu nkonta wo betima bu a mayor mutunto ne mayor mu fi se bia o mutiti dwemu accounting very key e won bibia o mu yim nti entrepreneurship no hwe the concept of entrepreneurship a ni nyina egurugura mu bi untimi mfa no to hunu nkoda enko basre untimi mfa an hunu nko ye business ndi na businesses bibre egu no because obu okra maami bia no otan abete we ma memfa mfam wo ye koto gya no akoto nkyene no akoto nam owie no kan ni sika no gu ho no kan ni wie no anya sika botin no bia no wo stress afi nkyin wura begene de emekuru abenya na oni kapa no so entini nyina ye eniema ebebo nti ye makwan ne mra ne ye mo ho ban se ABS sika no ye behwe na de bia ibenya bidia ye de because ye cyclical yin sika na etna ho but media make to national discourse and they said the Marco Rubio Kayano was we don't need new taxes. We need new taxpayers who are gainfully employed, who will also be contributing to the development of the nation. Okay. So almost soon school ni be called juma kakra na nya ba juma almost be tax. That is why some of the other developed countries they depend on the private sector. Yeah, no dear ma bibia yesi aban. Once the last me catch you say we are also trending on a dangerous path. If you don't have an educational system which is relevant to our development, because the more any pay soon at the end, Nancy, because additional is by convenience. Usually, we are, I say, Abama Medjuma, Banka Disuya Pan say, wow, between the white bina baby day, a baby, Nankabano Haran, was I jetro, one uncle's Gadudu at Tinango Bodino, says a car, yes, infantry by Medjuma for country, to meet Yaku Yaquine, and to me, come a moon one, a very complex system. It comes see problems in a deep rooted. Okay. And the bay ye more by now. Dr. George Akon Watin and Cano, Yanya Boafon Catonium Raya Bar, Yebetos.
Ajinkwa FM 101.9.
Once, what's the wedding easy? Oh, you butu ankasa.
Messi, Lufat na wajima where you?
Hey, malaria drew Lufat. Jama wedding where your hospital.
Sister, where I imagine there, few hours to my wedding. Na Messi semu huma yeshepe. Linketa was mikuniya. My husband is sick.
Hey, Jama tornado. Na bazi no yen.
What's the water tested positive for malaria?
No, na benti na one for ambulance na one.
Ambulance. It's not a bicycle.
Hey, no, nyasi from kakabo.
No, kick. Many wedding on me make up nina. Sometimes nearest pharmacy. So one meji Lufat.
Entrance pharmaceuticals for one malaria druna.
Inyo. No ye na wanter. Mukuno china nenadi. A brand pa.
No kuniso. No pona waka that you may kiss the bride. If you want so day.
No donna. Man no ye donne.
Indeed, woman malaria and cold to them. Lufat. Malaria drop test for malaria before treatment. FDA Ashasa a deadly in Kratoi Ajatum say a ye.
Abi national lande afeya beja cash na bedwa afina madwuma no be ko swankasa bema na wo inflation achi ni fa wotom se potos no anyway ni age saro ade wo lo to bia na masa choko ya wo yes sia ni Abi national unia abi dien ani eye Abi national sika krabia foforo wo de oboso obia hwe wo mo won hyehyeye papa ebeso wo ha nyina no na botre wo boni ahohare a wo de ye adwuma no masa wani beji keke enti even me Abi national for you. Oh, I'm aware do kejeti haya. When you kum down in a dink anymore. Tell now the Rika kwa he. Only me how. Do you know my problem? Entiko Abi national kwabata bi e ben wonne. Na hunu sika kwabia musumpa. So won sem bise bia. Friends sia. E was 0322 002 922. Abi national. Basum jiesa fo. E was sika kwremu. Ayo wadi yayo mimi amo enu ne bukuru enku sei enye me kunu nka no pe me shawo damage bi papa ofo besi manu bi enkode nyina mu bi amye we nyina ko woda so bawa waso di nti wo se den enti to bring pharmaceuticals cough syrup power dia bai enti wonti ye wo cough baby enkoda to fewa ebro wo mo ebra wo bawa na cough child ne so die enkoda enyu no ebro wo mo wo hyehyɛ wo mu a esie etu asie kura na cough adult die empanifo die no na cough family wo padudu etu akoto bring pharmaceuticals so won cough nansa na wo ho antowo a ko hu doctor cough syrup send your million do what does you die masum say
I say didn't quite to mu ajatum say ye
anti pharmacist me fiefo nyina tipa wom na nsonson ye wom kakra ne se me yiri tipa ye no kata ne hwene nyina asisi me ba no nso honamre waye se boho na me die asmani tutu agufom Ajinkwa FM be jam so a edwame ga na wonhwe me fie die hodi no na me yiri nso fie die eyedutwam nti we se emfiri fie would free baby idea? None your drew bay.
David, Ora, Tipaya dear, Wabajumai Musa pharmacist no. Mehubia. Ain't it to wasi? O wife Tipaya Nazakataka home. Good, and no obey here. Entramol D. And I was so banity payen so amana yembre. Okay, and no obey here. Entramol and Casa. And I would know so see a job ga. All right, that is tension, headache, or migraine. Okay. We'll be here. Entramol plus. With the J na no fear for no said the matrama will not pepe.
Entramol D, ne Entramol plus no, Enyagro, a tutti payasi de kude, is a ubet na ho, Natia power there, and your was a FBI said, Gedian Crat, we are just to say, yeah.
Abuja da masisa mafia ya dia dwedi nkrato haya Ajinkwa 101.9 kasafidi so ya to so ne ekwanwie ka CS2 live ewe yin Facebook page so Ajinkwa FM Kumasi 101.9 Ajinkwa FM Kumasi 101.9 YouTube aya Ajinkwa FM live kwa be share wala kenwa comment wi asinya so ebete wo so adwenche nsusu ya wo de ebaye ya to so nana Yes, Cocoa Farmers Pension Scheme. I take you off our Ashanti region. Obuasi new Edubiasi in Hini Bequai, and then Asifwa Seven word PND's law 1984 1181 other than ye did go by your pension scheme. I'm a cocoa farmers, a compulsory, say cocoa farmer, Pia. And I mean, we say, Bias as a true good digital CSK. Nana, way. Accra.
Also, I have sat on this platform and told you on several occasions that when you build a kingdom, on the foundation of license.
When your kingdom of foundation of license, yeah, piloting, and I say, a tricky,
will it change the farmers' situation?
I said, welfare, when you're a EDI say, pension scheme, dear, just a welfare,
recently, not you look at a year and meeting, look at your ECI or Marcy, I think last week. Now, many not know as you could know on many nice policies, but you don't know about share and one or not no one membership now do not quite after retirement. As all retire.
I could feel more
and one beba. But Nini now quite I say retirement. Say your retirement, the idea can be a bossian, Bebobisia. You had the new policy be in your as a service in Muno, a behead dab, I left to wine for your bessia some name.
As only been a men's fellowship now, almost only a welfare. To welfare, over contribute Scadian Vermont. So, who are the amount of Ilonoma? And I remember, this is a behavior to draw transit. And now, what the number of share made in Manua, almost there be an answer. A yana member who are man and crane mobile. Eti, who are now
what kind of
Namifio?
I don't know about what kind of thinking is this?
Who are
now
said the bear, my men and crime by look at near Jamawam.
You see, I want to catch us say. Ghana no say yeah comedy channel for God. We go point to one and the wa and then the ninka now what they are na wa. I don't know about so what share yen unions. Ya wo ka church bebre. Na wo share a national policies ne emwa o say the many pa baby and channel no a. Ya na reho. Enunti I told them that day when my leaders, able leaders, they met me chairman be chairman hodo on penifo mobile, not in penifo mobile. Because you must say, I tell you, a jumano, and when Timian policies be as a nipa woman or no more day, or your baboon, or bet Timmy, Mobenyamwa. And so in chase, Nemum just say, a new panel. Nany part of those Ghana, a Bianaba, yen situation, ni part those to be retired.
Now, call retired no cranoa. O quasi disibo bet to crane. Said yes, who couldn't now from wave and I was a Ghana, say 50 years of crown, what the 50 years for Ghana says, and now doom been a crower, what Pomu didn't say 50 years. Even for 10 years, crown, don't was ever more. Uncle to Junior, I didn't and until I tell you, your minor de Biano. Your policy, your BB, suffer Sika Betua, the Babuawa. Just are quite after 60 years. Begin fear to see each other. Sabrano. Sabria, the idea of when I get to I
had 60 years. Yadiana shall say 20 years.
William was someone, Diana.
I don't know, Yaria Martin 35 years. So far, what 1 billion cramania? How long would that 1 million? And I say 100,000 Ghana citizens. How long will it last? Will be treated prostate cancer at age 60. And will be when you prostate cancer. And I say, when cancer no crown. Now, woman of 50,000, not 20,000. The youthful stages, no, and not ages, no. Even to me, I'm gonna prevent him from even getting cancer.
Yeah.
Why do you wait for the person to get cancer before you give him 50,000 cents? I've got to my money 20,000. No idea, born a brow, can be swap, or bet chain went through no maybe home. I'm on the health for no way here. Or bet to me, hospital. A treaty, and now no pa. Emmanin Konyas level, and could use our level. No, and we tell about so what this policy they must say, cocoa farmers be the pension scheme. I was reading through and I was laughing.
I didn't know.
Oh, I didn't about Esri just say, Ghana no home. You know, maybe a hair, and so what transfer now your baboon and now we're doing no maybe
almost to attract youth
to attract the
youth so cocoa, a dream, now face so, or more fair.
I didn't about say cocoa bag say,
Mr. 800.
A grow bag, Menoka say almost 900 cities, a grow bag, a grow. I bought dressing cocoa. Cocoa. Ube do any film, you know me and son, and son of our shots, yes, also. A brom, you would dear Bruce, me and son, no, to maybe do 900 any 800, no more ton for Christ 750 cities, and no more to Chromia. What kind of system is this? Okay, maybe Ghana could afford to do a Saint Crown of Yanaba. Woman, a poem didn't say, no, Mamma, and if you are wanting to more, you have shown woman. I mean, man, I could do baby or motivation, mamma, and papa. And we afford to do depending on woman, cocoa, no more, at the survival. Yeah, I'll continue to be when you could work here, or say, be the pension, a ski. And then cocoa board number hono. Moon Pessy Cabia, a yes, a chip by work you afford in the time one, or we hear more. I giving them machines I would omit him the ayo move. Cocoa Yahoo or Muya or Mofapa from Pim Muya, Muyamas out to cocoa, and milk ya for Yakopus on the swing. Muntimin to solve any issue with them. Womu and say farming a hood way or Muhiamwa, fertilizer who do say, Wunya a party cocoa and a party gria. Fertilizer by your mouby, a dread is a force of bar, who need to an aqua, ye mouby, your minor, my papa, mamma, minor, I say, a potobia fruit rubbish from Gum. Yeah, do down. Yeah, you know home, and yes, it will be the pension scheme for a farmer. Another way to cheat on the common farmer. I don't know in any case. Wouldn't say, I buy a Juma and four, aqua pension for the past 8 months. One more can see the moment, more than to fee.
Oh, am I?
I don't know about what are we talking about? Why do we continue to do this to ourselves as a people? Now, see, Yana, you would have feared you don't know about you, Nippon, you know, we are so warm, Young Utiawaka.
Oh,
the Edika young Kadanamba, not also a penny, so I bear my number.
Okay.
Ubu or Bakwasia, Ubu Bem, Aquadaquasia, Unyakopon, on Fancho. Aquacra were doing in penny if you sister near above. Yes, Amarano, we hear the whole don't want to be the car, you cried the on to me, yes, and ye, Bino. Ubunaquasi, Unyakopon, on Fancho. And Sano one is on a Ghana. Yeah, what Jenny, education, one baby, a dear policy go free SHS. Ya nyene nas really KG primary ni JHS one ya nyene omo ye be mo ma bra boni be for boni ni tri nyina boni nko a no be do senior high ni de sika na hia no ho we no so opani no ni youthful stages no ni the 20s ni 30s no ye kuya no hia mo na obi amfi do so ko 60 70 no oba kokra no good dem no wo hempe no sa amra no ne se bi the pension scheme adan yet sa why are we like this? Yeah, I'm probably would sorry them say you're gonna be beyond home coticua. Mimico be a member and better some say a year.
Radio, what you no man is a movie. Sicano almost a woman tomorrow. Who are we no my memo? But then about dinner before you to say. Yes, any young one. Yam more been fast to drone. Now what you say, I was it there be would you? Ooh, yeah.
Auntie, they may try to use Brofakesi. You're going to be chilling. Pension ye e bebu akuafo obekari koko one bag e betisi ya ton ho ye na aban so disi abeka no ho e dwena ba say de beka no ho se emfa nka no se pension wo se pension wo omo hwe akuafo yi akuafo bre wo kuro we mu e dwena ba kua yo na kwakoye sa asa no me and for yes obi ye adwuma o cocoa board wo yeah one no because of a political party be affiliation went no
obi say
when you kwagura ho small boy be crop paper ho no be na bana katua aso cheche ni mota
obi say omu cocoa board funi di cocoa skanya kwafo
you see and that evil sa bone no mo di kwafo no and a cocoa board and na buy penifo ne Ghana penifo a mo this system no to not a political party nobody should get me wrong the system has been there since in time immemorial sa dia na mo de to wa
na obi ko twani ko gudi maga say fo no duko see da ya wo so on dia se
scheme ne de ya no mo nya adwene na no mo nya adwene kira say omo de aba fine but they should look critically at the condition of the common farmer Ghana ha any brand Ghana kokofoɔ akuafoɔ ebre no mo nhyɛ wɔn dan sɛ me kwa bibi de pɛ we
adakɔdade tane ntira kɔ no watene ka dog yɛse koko akuafoɔ abano ahwɛ mo yɛtimi di mudin kɔgye syndicated loan enti yɛyɛ bibi ade aboa mo asekyana no mo daache na sa draw mabunu abakoko dwumadie mu ana yɛdi ho nkɔma no pɛ
ɛdana ba me dase me forward movement person nti ade bia bɛbɛ bia no first also dwene ne sɛ yɛbɛtimi ayɛ ne yie aban bia no hɔ de policy bɛba ɛnyɛ papa but bia nneɛma kakra bɛbata ho meni ate na nkɔ te hɔ yi sɛ nyɛ sɛ bia aban te ne sika to ne yɛde ne sika ɛhyɛ ne nsɛm anko bɛkɔ pension ni wansi di kura da hɔ because da bia nka ne sika ne nso no
okay
ɛno nti na NPAR National Pension Regulatory omo de saa nhyehyɛ ne ba because sɛ wogya wo bia sɛ woyɛ adwuma enti bia wa te sika ne bɛkɔto hɔ a wanhwɛ a wontimi mfa bi sie da kɔsi sa timi da bɛba
okay
sɛ yɛkɔgye akatua ɛtimi kura ka so busumi bia mɛte 2 cedis de ato hɔ but
akatua kura de wo kɔgye no na wapɛ bosia de akyi a wobɛsa de atua ka na sa
enti policy bi ɛba ɔsɛ yɛto yɛ bo ase na yɛhwɛ because bi a research akom ne nneɛma ɛwom no wanhwɛ yi a wonhu sɛ ne yɛteɛ obi a wo private sector bia dinti aya no obi aso opa ba adwuma yɛ ne sɛ obewie no apart from the regular salary obegin obi a wo kɔgye through pension
okay
and think all other private sectors yɛ ne saa ka bɛboa ɛno ntina hu ne yɛbu ha ɔtɛ aburukyire sisi a me no wɔ kasa yi wa betra Ghana bosome so ɔkɔ hɔ kɔgye bibi but bia na nya ba adwuma no ɔyɛ dɛ ɔyɛ into the pension scheme itself no generally is good
okay
and into kura na mmara no hyɛ sɛ nanse wɔn kura wɔn yɛ private sector no teacher fo wɔn no wɔn kyerɛkyerɛ de private school wɔn ntua senate
okay
ade yɛ ya paa so abɔ kokorawa na o pesika bi na wuni bi wobɛkɔ na mpanimfoɔ bi tete ba a wɔhwɛ sɛ tena nkɔmmɔ bɛbɔ afa hɔ bɛnom biribi na ɔmo pass wɔ mo bi kora tumi kɔtɔ sɛ paa peace cigarette wɔ pɛ de obi anom ama ɛda fam akɔm ne ɔmi kuro mi ngu n'anim na gato obi nom tɔ fam kora no wɔkɔfa nti sɛ scheme bi sɛ ba a ɔsɛ yɛdwene ho ba deɛ nti ɔmo de start wɔ mu no ne sɛ wɔpa fa kuma se ha adan dodoɔ a ɔhu sɛ sisi tafo bantema nom n'ani a yɛn papa nom ne yɛn maame a ɔmo kɔdɔ kookoo no wɔn ne sisi yɛ o and we hear the contribution of cocoa farmers to the development of Ghana. Ko bono hafo no ne ade ade nipa bebre kura ko pia burukyire no cocoa sika ene e bi do ko ye. Enti ade ntina sa ankrofo we sebe omo aye sa adwuma nyina afa wakɔ na homigye mu no na wodadam na wo so ni ani da so bia. Enti se wutiri kura anye yie said na tina nko ka ma wo ba bia nko su ama mehwewa wo so wahu na mane.
Okay.
Ene wo me ne we ye ense. Unse mrofo de omo no they are so independent. And intina wo bo bra wo bo de na oba nso aye dai abone de enti se wo ba wo de hunu a wo de kokoo no abo bra wo de bia hwe nkrofo Ghana anya so mfa so no wo kotena fi akosi apene
okay
enti se ba na se yesi ye mfa nye bibi ntu ho ma wo mu na daachi bia otifie ulma ya watia hasuo akwafuo mu akobɔ kokoo se kan twa no ne ade ade no na obenya bibi dia wasane sire mu ebra wote hɔ a eye policy bit is a leap ye de ban so kai livelihood empowerment against poverty ni ye hwie nuanom a omo no ye mrewa a omo adi mfie be se duisi enum a wakotena fie a if you bi kura hɔ a ne tira anye yie ne ba anye yie oni buafo bia wo pesamna kakra kura esi ne ntema oni bi kaye nyama omo nye hia ne wɔ ha enka so ye biem mo ya mse aburukyire no aburukyire nchikyire ye nyina gina se wa bafie wa homigye mu once the last me ka kire wo se the anti corruption no one of the reasons ya yentimi fight here welfare
okay
certain nkwa kire de ya no wokotena fie na nkwala a no sa abre wa kire omade obi ekɔ hye adwuma bi mu nti wo de lankrusa befa nanim na ɔte hɔ a officer next time afutuo bɛn no ɔde bɛma ne ba koko ni a waye koko adwuma ai brel na ɔno anya hwee na sɛ bɛn no ɔbɛka kyerɛ ne ba ɔnka kyerɛ ne ba sɛ ku adwuma koraa deɛ ɛmfa ho koraa nyimu da nti baabi a yɛbɛhwɛ ne yɛyɛ ne yie ne sɛ koko ho adwuma a yɛnim sɛ contribute to a lot to government no yɛbɛhwɛ ne yɛhyɛ mu kena. The last time I check here, about 800 farms are families are Kuyajuma Kukunkuano. Sika woman more mine annually is about $2 billion or they say US dollars. And don't mean Chico in free. It is a cobasses are hono betapio. Ama a hogu. Nebi obisme coton, Missika, me coco de galamsi sika. Near Beppe Bisu, near a form of motivation. Okay. And Tibeka Kranutifia, yasu. Tamu wana uye kuye nini usika kakra otu ho se de teacher ni akona ho megem unso beji kakra na fa wudi wu eye sanka omo ti ase ye betimi ahwe wo mo ba system bia na nya perfect eni ho and you need to adapt to the situation na afi ni yahu ni se enye papa no a bia enne no ye ni si ye bema wo mo nso so sebe wo mo kotena fi a wo mo nya bibi adi ewu no enya dia ye bone health insurance say e ba ye no a save situation bebro ya sometimes ne many be ka ye ho a ya na maka say we have what we call decline in satisfaction sadi bi be kan ho na emu de na say normal atu because that time say say ko hospital na fo obi kokoye no operation wakoduru hospital na mo se cash and carrier na uni sika ni bia ho na be nso ani be me pa kire fo obi sa tina nkoso no no otu asen ontua bibia in cash o ba ye tino direct ye tino direct enti se ono ko ni atino no wokɔ na otimi kɔgye ayarehwe a ne bia obi nso so a yɛse wontua kakra no yɛnya yarehwe a de wutua no aban no so subsidize ana wo de kakra yɛ de ɛka ho na yɛ general ma obi ahiafo ne mobrowafo and me I don't see anything wrong with this ne mum de hia ne sɛ ebi a pricing of the cocoa no yɛbetimi tum sɛ de aban no tum a ɛbɛma saa brɛ no mo te ase sɛ de na te na nko ka mo nya sika ɛde abo mo bra yɛfiri yɛ ku adwuma nyɛ na ku adwuma mu sɛ de yɛ nyina yɛ nim te na nko ɛne yɛ nyina yɛ nim no the old ways a yɛde yɛ niama no na demotivating crofo te na nkrofo ɛpɛsɛ mo bekom nya sɛ ku adwuma no na ɛnyɛ o sɛ nkɛne yɛ wɔ mechanized and more technological way yɛde yɛ ka hokora na ɔsɛ mabunu kɔhyɛ but wo ko sika ya na hyɛ ɔmotoam papa bia ona awere ho nti ne sika ahɛ no motoam no ɔsa de abufuo firefo mpa so ba wo hia no agya wɔ hia me nyam sika wo fɛna mo so sika mu de hɛ ɔsɛ nyam sika am de kɔ ho na de hyɛ ɔmotoam yɛ afum kwa beja adwini wo koi afa no wo ko si apene eham se wadɔ so gogoro no mu atutu enua pɛn wafuo so a wo behu ku adwuma ne den enti ba bia ɔsɛ yɛ de ani kɔ anse yɛ bɛpɛ kwan foforo a ebetimi attract mmɔbunu sɛ nka ba yɛ na wo koi ne bia tuna nkwahye ne wale ndi buda as a teacher ɛna attractors ne ɛwɔ no no supervise ɛna wo ya kada bia ɔbɛkɔ ɔno kyerɛkyerɛ ni wakɔ kyerɛ de akasa na wo pon no asa afa ne sika ahye ne moto mu ɛmma ne kon no. And that is why we are calling for a more modernized and a better way of agriculture, what best practices across the world. Uko Israel no more. Ura bie ni ho moto ho twene. Even uko obi kura dem a say de ye no mu sisi amode we brɛ mi. Ama no mi wi a obi say omo de omo frɛ ni say green. Obedua aduaba wom e de asi ni nkyɛn. Omo so munya ye nsa asi kota kura they could fill the whole world forever.
Yeah.
And now last time na me bo amane no hwɛ some of the contributions a yenye for agriculture mu a recent African survey by no was one of the most lucrative investment sectors in agriculture. Ma ye de ya na ye bonwono if is wo be ye na duane ne ye ntɔ obi a wo kɔtɔ na wakɔ tɔ ne sɛ ne wo pɛ ne bia obi akɔtena ba bia dɔbɔde na wafa ka omo mototoi okwa onu na eco determine price ya ebe de nipa nakɔ and all these are the complexities also ye hwɛ ekrakra ba say yesi bia kokoo akuafo ye hwɛ mo contribution any over the years said ye mo abrɛ o man ho na even kra no mo kɔm ahomegye mo ni bibie ye nsi achiba ya wobetuma tena hodi obi anim tam obi bewu enti menya wadwen se bia enne no wobewu nti ye free kan ye se o mi de wo kyena nko ami wanhwe ya wo kra na wo bɛkyɛ enti ye mpe bibi ma na wo kɔ a obrɛ no wet matwa so aba enti aduana said the American the hia kase wom ni say eba bi atam na nipa no wakɔgye na homegye mo obɛgye ni sika as me ni hɔ enum na wo se ye hwɛ ne address ye teto hɔ no wo bɛgye ne wo hɔ
okay but say TV bia to hama de eye ye nyina ye ti ho say we American say nyese ya katu ya by law and e compose say be at source a kamedie nkamedie nya be kwa kwatwa menum ama me kofia kwa kusuma ma me wo fa se fo aza abrome entinka all the sectors ne kura no nyina no ye ne saa if you fitafo nyina no ko so munya pension scheme a wo mu betimi aye no makom ho abom ukwadwuma kakra ni ati 2 series na de koto e da asabe nyame mfasa ama ubekwa adwuma eja bekwa akotu ahye wani ayeso wani abono na wani dai no so eni kura betimi akọ yare bra wo sori enye dai enye nyede bia na betimi akontimi. I don't see anything wrong with this, but where I'm adding to say ye be ye ni areas ya make us yenhwe na e bia obi kwagidi sika ye be ma no yenhwe how much the person will get na system bia anya dai yes I be ma obi kura ka so medim hojimu e be dai e be kwa minti e na sa na yes ye o man no nchichire de bia bibi foforo ye dai eba be bia bibi foforo eba Dr. George Akom and watinika nana yenhwe sibo be se ntembi abanu sise bi a opese otu ho anamom na wodi to obeto no mebi so titiriu yesu ali afen jot ase ajo ko to jot brebi ko to ba ka wasi koso bla tawane na sefo na abibi ma de nyame hu yemobo pa enti abrofo no musumo mo maso ngoto onkoso joto bla ahadi kwa bla ni asoma wa kwa aba wase koso bla adi so do antwe enti be agent bi so enti abaru jese no me bia ha adwen tie de eto obeto so ane nsano mo ne nasefo ebi se asa abanu bas eyesa yemu ye ho chi ye dada obeso otwa bi sa no kwa de oton no de ebisi mama no ti dada ye ne kwa so a because asemi professor
from Bomanso Akosa
yeah wa kan wa semu blebi atwam early 2000 no mu banwa I say yeah ba be juro
and I'm saying man be CEO of one of the herbal clinics. I don't
know
where we were and so he said it the media, some of the outlets, epic that they were speaking to it. Now I don't know about, you see, there are two perspectives to this and to this, and I believe Doc will do the other one. Health. Papa was looking at, and those commentators have been looking at it from the health wise. So question money name for so juma you may not agree with them, but you don't have the accommodation. Your health is your wealth.
Yeah.
Now many of the diseases are or more kasafa sa di ehunu ne ewo yemre yiso no omo attribute to a lot of them to cigarettes, friend say tobacco, alcohol. Do you know about on say we share nyarawa say ekuma bi before Ghana ye narrow down to Ghana pa nyarawa can organs no the kidney, the liver, the lungs, pancreas, the heart. Oh wow na nipano young woman yes be the stroke or young man young woman yes kidney failure, liver failure, then heart failure ne omo atutu ni nyina no basically no two tobacco enom alcohol enom sebi basa until they believe say how would you be able to ultimately improve okra na be then what so and he say aban ebeye a deliberate policy ana o man no be hunu say a threat to a human life.
Okay.
Na mo ayan hyehyeye say ye the two to so no mo de so mo yina say be ma buo na kosoro.
Okay.
Se buo ne kosoro sa no a
Yes, bia that could be a wonum jot not entiantia no betem no e bia wonum nsia
betimi e buo no nti ba e be bo wo pomuden nipa na wonum apomuden no be bo no ama e kan ne nka yade no be mo na wu be nimfie be aduonum emu a What is what? A bit to me, Manako bed, you see. Into a more shameful apomudin perspective. Alcoholism, it is becoming one tenor. I have said it. Yeah, say blue weekends.
My young could be one sound, you know, Bankasa.
You see, a very bad.
The baby of energy so person no ba Casabia. Just what common so bro. Oh, I don't know about so send panu yamwa. There are many people, you say many are mad, but few are naked. Nippon be brave, saya dear no. And now my papa be means that yeah, I see me by year say you be now. A corner son or ban or Casam opening. Bema or corner son or Becasam, Sebi, Ubema, you know, payo. Bema dear, Casani won't be wiping my walker, and corner son fan san katakata winning. You see, that is not to say Sebi and San and Kiamamrenia Mania, but be a no quas on the quaso. A will be where you ma at the Venko for. Name Apomode, dear Dianaba, I did be a big cum, and answer best sell Apomodeno. May Dianaba, my young man near war, sa organ problem nibi, convanochi D for Madahoda. Minimum mania nipama nemo yadia if free sa no manom and sanum jotonom and unti this topic no and it should be a program for every society, every group of people are womu here kasachere wo because anybody be breed the ignorance nima omu nim ne di wura sa ade nim or yeah when you two cities was what they told you gari di aro akoton sa no no akoton sa no mo fa hu nyanya de wa hodo aduana ba enunti from the points of papa ne ka no se nyina e betie na ya tete no ma ye won sa no kwan so a eboboa ya pomuden ebe me yatime nyina anyini atena se ya adwuma de aboa wo man kyekere aboa busua kyekere ahye yere no mo ne ema sa wo yoba nso ade ahye wukunu no ma de ahye obusua wo ma me no ko mo depending on you emma o man no ensi apini wo sa akwan no usi for na semi ko pie baby na emayo na omo 14 15
16 17 13
awura di nyankopon mi jana ba kwa fanto abe nai
oh I don't know about
anya mema o
oh azembi o no sometimes yintimin kano if you but those of us are yeah I don't know about you exposed to streetism may I do in the street there are a lot of things are you nimua density room you be kana mabon
okay
but I don't know about so buy any or many pennyful episode mo bo mebunu a e be the frustrations of life alcoholism and drug addiction emu na ohu nipa ma ibinom ne sa joto hama hodo nipa ni benom ani nduro bi na beba ka ho bitin godin kra rade aduana ba ibinom no a nipa mobo
okay
and some are die ibinom treat serious ailments ya obi obetime gina aduana obi obetime gina wo gina ho no ada wo gina ho wada serious conditions o yeah if you consult this medics or mo be chew no ma sa atibia no mu no etie yeah ehupa it I believe say it is a nice call
okay
see e be fa na ya de etu apo na ya de etutu mebun ba bia mebun tasie titiru may the youth should be the target
to the only about ya adwen say
oh I agree this is
in a certain derogation no friend no syntax
sin bone eto
sa ade bia wo insuranso society no
so no say the two to so dia na syntax intermediate me be share that perspective me share say ebe mu obi adwuma aye
na say ebe ma ba na nya sika na say
no I'm looking at the health wise ebe boa yen I don't about say edrum bia otimi say wo apomudene na woni sika fra wo pe
anye da bia obi apepa na na yam tira ko no watinkan dog crying tea way na
tena nko se obi ape ko hese konfa no chisabe ya wo fufu do so enam gum yesro satrema sana
no waka se du ba bi na se wunni sika
sa akra na o se ye sika nyenkwa sa na o se ye
okay
but the sika no be ka ho a added advantage
okay
sabru bi ka si dem anko nyanko beturi akofa ha enso da homa bone na mu okomfa no chi
saka no pa wunnim no pa na do sa ko
na wo ko hura me ka se na misana me wo onka na misambo me wo 1995 mo na me wo Eastern Region me wo fa koto the first computer ni ye dra ho na me
atikopo no
ai 95 o ko na buri kira bana odi computer ba na eduru memenda ne paper ho no ba na enra ho ne nkura no me ye ne say fregu esewani
wo ba nya fiato
esewani ene sa computer da me ko ye na da mantwia enti na me na adwa komase hu ntuma gu ase bra da kamuda ka fa gu nwamwa me die he me catch plane me sa ka me ti hei adi hia me kasi we wi ase nyina ya pomuden
okay
all other things ye added advantage enti na bible kura ka say nchine oyira ne da ye mfa enye hwe but ye yama the opposite no mum na abedi anim to wo sika kura wo say me kobro ye ya dane no ama ne sika ho hia ye sene apomuden na ma memra substantive issue no so hwe World Health Organization was about 2.5 million die out of indoor and outdoor pollution. Ntina ewu no amu wu no ntina me se ade esa na obi di no fufu a menya scientific ayi bia tete won se no mudi. Ada kosa agency no de mo hwe da. Enu nnuane aye di de ye. Inso no kura wo tinanko wo koya uduru aha ugu aduane ni su di cham no ho na edin so ba hefa na yekosa enso ni free enkwan no a wo kwa wo sa uchiri na tam na wo no hefa na de free na ne de minim de aba se mebunu no sa nyama sa na abaye fashion na research bi e bia a kire se nansen most of the death we baninya are through kidney and liver related issues. Enti ni nyina be wie eniema mienu tinanko attach so many issues on that. Laws no wo but baby and the fundamental one the kind of child upbringing. And na de bia na misuru say wo te ho na wo say wo de wo ba wa kana hye dem nya yi a when he goes into the society enipa ben wo no mo kwa akohia.
Okay.
Inipa bebre akosu aba o mo aside akosua gayism akosua lesbianism akosua smoking and in society no yes it's a shared responsibility tete hono a na obi atimi tia obi ba no they were not fools mo fa ncheme because wo say account ntia na yede na account to enti so oba pia bonti a wani da so wo ko no nkoye bone by ne ube kusku amemiti yes me ba kure be kusku na meyam because they could also learn other bad practices and in nature and nurture. These two issues are very key in anything that we do as human beings. Ube timaka so ode you feel for the enya kromfo but be say ba ku bi afiri me den wo yes because if you are going by the nature system say hereditary papa mu feel for enya kromfo a ubi betime afiri mu by through environmental interaction na wakofa bibi say edura nwumre na on na muntokru mu na no nkrofo say ko ho ane se fa ha o timbesi mi ma kom kwanza mi na me ba bi ma mi fa ho because o no wi wo nti society yatia oko developed countries no ya jessica free wo mo de o mo fi say wo mo mpese wo man be ho de kekere o man no e ma ne ye nti na wo kwa wo mo a lot of fines so de so aso de o be ye ni kokoye we ya ne ya jisika ne de ayo man ni ye na wo mo pese wo man ni ye no ye de aye eduru ba bi kura wo some of the states omutumia ye na police fu achichi wo mo de vi say society wo mo fa ne ya jeje wo musika ne de aye bridge bi enti we aye kan ya ye o sha se say wo be ya ye beto abetia wo de ni asa a group of people so sa branch say wo twitwa nka ne me ya frɛ no
was a course where banners on your call.
That I mean, mechanical. There be some mechanical.
So, Massa Tobo, a human
you work on as I can, sir, and yes, cigarette, no, Miss Anya me, Edena, and Nipa, Yatra, who say, woman will be woo. Freedom.
I go over that catches, and some bookun, cigarette bokuja was all jay. Malam won mukoko azu koko ne wanu nsanda koko azu
something must clear my but enye say bi ya na ya iro officer say do sa stage no a na ohu tutu a entutu sa nipa no kan say jai no
say ko ntutu benu
na no papa ba ko firim na time a be flu ne da na me kohwe no sɛ ne yɛka kyerɛ sɛ gyayo mekɔɔ ɛm sɛ di after bɛyɛ 1 month mu firi da na mekɔhwɛ na mehwɛ no sɛdeɛ na ɔyɛ babunu na ɔduru ne mpani mfie so ne tam ɔyare da mpa no so a ɛda no koraa meti ne so na mehwɛ sɛ sɛ nnipa yɛ mmɔbɔ nti sɛ yɛka yi mpanimfoɔ nso wasoa ne mɛn nyɛ sa na yɛ amoka no ɛte sɛ wobabaawa a wasi so a yɛtu ne fo ne duru time a wawoa wonya ntima mo ne mu a afei no wɔbɛti sɛ yes so ho enti saa nneɛma a yɛka ne nyinaa no lɔɔso no bɛba sɛ yɛmmɔ ɛho ban ma yɛmfa mma ne adeade sɛ nnipa kɔn do biribi a they create their own means to survive sɛ woma ne boɔ yɛ den sɛ deɛ koraa wonim price a wɔmde kɔtɔ cocaine ebi koraa mutumi twan ka sika wɔmde kɔtɔ no koraa no nka bɛtumi ayɛ biribi nti yɛ na nyɛ necessary sɛ wobɛma no boɔ ayɛ den ɛna ɛda nka the best thing ane saa ne memfa bi koraa nsi ha but nipa a yɛti wiase a yɛma obi na ɛcontrol sɛ ɔyɛ freedom wofiri hen wokɔ yɛ obi bɛka sɛ obiara de ne pama no ɛntima yɛ nka kɛyɛ na amiamia bi wɔmtumi di ada ntina mokɔ yɛ ɔmo sɛ obiara nom nsa hɔ mokɔ a monkɔnkɔ nom hɔ ma mehwɛ
na wɔkata no koraa wɔ se ɔbaa ne di wakyi a ɛyɛ wo mpena nya wo yɛ woni certificate no wontumi nya ho adwuma
daabi wopa musuo mu ne kɔkɔyɛ na
wɔyɛ wo mpena no a wode no akɔ no ɛwɔ sɛ wɔde certificate ba
sɛ waware no
nanka wɔyɛ mempena ne di makyi
ɛwɔ sɛ wontumi mfaya
mempena ne di makyi
wokɔfa ya nso no yɛ kyew a
mmara no wobɛdi
enti yɛ na nneɛma no bi wɔ hɔ a saa freedom yɛ a wabɛsɛ yɛ kɔ mu a biribi a yɛyɛ bia yɛsɛ no no nti na bible koraa ka sɛ wade nyinaa ho kwa ɛnyɛ ne nyinaa ne fata yo yɛayɛ suatra ɛne yɛgyae nneɛma bebree gum ne yɛgya gum ɛno na da biara na meka kyerɛ tena nkɔ sɛ that social cohesion erosion no ɛno bi no no
ɔsena no mekɔɔ baabi tim sɛ ɛwɔ no baata no wɔde ne mba bɛrima no wɔde ne ma ɛhɔ yɛ meka sɛ pub anaasɛ
pub de abeba so bi ya mo abɔ so green ya mo de flowers ya gugu so
ankura nketenkete ne menim sɛ ɛyɛ fast na aba wo wɔkɔ no mo nsa no na bɛdi n'akyi
your children will follow your examples not your advice
wɔkɔ no mo nsa no na bɛdi n'akyi I'll say, there's a
breakage in breakage in discipline.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Because all these things, I don't know about a parent. No, maybe how we are. Okay, that's how we do that.
So I was what to cook now, man.
We take the kids.
I don't know. If you for what to.
Now, once I'm in my zoo. So, honey, yeah, you post to you know. These are places here, learning places, places of attraction. Nti ya bia nam no makofa library kakra. Na me do makofa ba bi kakra na omo hwe ti da ne ko no de omo hu no book no nyina ye that see this that see that say o si me so say me for mo nko airport em so do mo aye ntikura no me do mo be furu alu ndi no mo ahwe mframa ne bi yen so ye ka ho bi ye lifestyle ena maka kire o ze tina ko last time na me ka kire say poverty is cyclical yeah it is say maami a wa wudu na wanti man hwe bia saa de ne bɛka hɔ saa because wanti man hwe no akwala no bɛdidim na fie hɔ saa enti fie bu ha wo kwa is known
akwala de nkiafa no nkɔsɛ biase
enkrofo adi wɔ ho yɛ dɛ agim na ne nyinaa break because our moral and values are yɛwɔ ne nyinaa ne sɛ yɛmfa nyɛ hwee ɛnyɛ dwuma enti wɛde yɛka nyinaa ne sɛ wɛdeɛ nkwanie ɛnu owuo yini ɛwɔ pɛ ɛbɛ sɛ yɛ bɛ kɔn ɛsɛ ntɔkwa ni agorɔ ɛna ahonya da asɛm pagoree nti wa wo no pɛ no yɛ no pama basa ban no yɛ ne se ya one way the other no ebe reduce basa wo sika so ɔbɛtɔ nso a ɛmfa ho ne boa a wɔde ayɛ dɛ ato so ɛnu nti na mmea mebre hɔ ɔmo de ɔmo hyɛ ne sɛ ɛmfa nsansi hɔ kafa si wo kɔ a wo abɛ so no watwa wo nsan fo kakra
wɔtwa ntunkum kakra
ntunkum ɛna wo daa na wo bra nene kura sense for dan one to say am say the samana kura yi if men be good government cannot be bad we are paying
oya no otwa wo yi
otwa wo si say wo ha na ye say otwa wo si chiri enwo ye the form na mo akɔhye na mo de ye nwo
ewo kura sa no me no na bibi ni do obekɔ bonsam jim yanko ahoma no so 0204905655 0596248959 na ye ne Ghana fo nkodi nkɔmɔ na ye nhwɛ sɛ de nsɛm no esi etie and then some way the ja baby but Jodi Adibia or Gazafu Adawa Sally Bay.
We don't do it.
Ah, yet you way.
I don't know about me, money at Duma. Now, me push so now when I'm for Richard Pratt and parliamentary candidate, so the sheriff for canon, no Richard Pratt, no vote. Now, I got the parliament, and I catch a party, I'm also project here. Let Papa bless the folk, Ghana and it so. Do 13th May now, or no, NDC delegate, you don't know about the party. Me abedi to me no abesi so minor am o minor aye kabere e dia na ba wo ren se ma mabobo so asoya e dia na ma ye bo mo ani adwuma na
oh sabe a homa nati but you do baby akase for that. Good morning
me patron pom ya dia na ba
go pad mo bi ramensa
ina sa remember some good notes instruction
ye tie way
whether you go to tsunami test Kopia, Dr. Mahmoud Bamia, Anna John Kuma. When him, Kayan Sama Tomakan Tambi, also now more can be said, Adeboa Adina, prohibited. Yanso Yaman Kofobi autonomous, now the Dutch example. Amamuka police. Shall we call land this year? Shall we issue diesel car? Car diesel no. Who do interland who pay extra tax? Because what you say, diesel we send it to Bano and pollute environment. It is extra tax. It's a general base. Opa Magana, Abami, and Jobu said, so diesel car be retracted here. We pay extra tax. Another diesel car transfer. What about that? We pay extra tax. You don't catch yourself. Abani person kulimpa, so kukana for. It is young cambo, young can't my son, I'm going to any direction. Somebody educate here, example. Educate now, constitution move. And then another comfort by it. Let's send another Danqua, policy, another Ghana policy, no. I know all year, that's what I'm coming.
Boy, that's the people, but you didn't have a cassette for Aroma.
Offer.
Opesica, good day.
Offer me for videos of Panchemodo. I command the next president of the Republic of Ghana, His Excellency Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia, NDC Force Road, 18 and NDC for Opopo. Lawyer John Kuma, I just want to share the journey. Offer me Education Minister Dr. Aduchum the birthday. Offer me 5 videos and wishing a happy belated birthday and Ejumapa or your Education Ministry. And that of my NDC for no motivation of Banyana and then Omoko School or Momako School free of charge. Offer. Yanka Nokrano, enter NDC4, and then also voter chiefs, and now share a daily graphic. Votarians are in for voter region in Akodan and out of Nakofado, and so the independence, the voter region. Of a mere Minoka voter region, democratic to be precise, and to know Yaka anything concerning voter, any OT region offer, you can say, they can be a year. And you better another down for improvement. Any achievement and not why you voter region. And this year, almost
never told him I guess if you are Daruma.
Yalaba.
No.
Alias Dianaba. I'm a chair professor, and I'm a chairman of Pia, former president of Yanaba. Yanaba, the Mamonia Bigapuna, Duma, with a master. Yala will be a day. I say, the Bayaduma. And no near Seminole. Yavianaba, 10 years with education here, come on, want to move. Education, a year bad, the crowd, who was to say, Mutia PC. Yavianaba, with some things I'm interested. And I said, answer now for other corner. He said, Yavianaba, you wouldn't be because we put out 3 hours they are planning to school. You won't be able to look for 50, 70, 80. And son of Corana to become a one year. It's in the media makeup. As a person now, they appear people, when you're starting on the trouble, when you're the matter in the area, and almost so request to Pinata. And I start to Palazzo, Nakorano, Papa. Or for one answer, or could be a hospital.
I'm so perform.
But
well, anyone there, but you will be a cassette for Aroma. What do you mean? Yes, but you would even be a casa free.
But that's it. Honorable at the other.
Nana be did as a point free station.
Me that's me. Mamma church and modern Coquapia. Baby will be a one with God is more than majority. Namin Church and Mosama Sasha Minister and OMMDC. Namin Chair the Finance Vice President Dr. Alhaji Mahamadou Baumia. Mamin Chanapa. Again about that's a swamp say the Bia Casa, Yankano Maima. He has said no Kurepa Neka. The person Busso, Yagana Yanchuko. And can it know? And Sana, liberty me of SHS. No, can I know upon this car? Won't you be? I'm telling you, yes, you're gonna have. What would you be? As some of my little papa catch one is a Kodoko Shagma. The woman is coming about also. Let the name Namyadum Kakaka and the first year's gonna moon is on and you put out. I will put on with the Satam, no name Muyano Kurano. The Ponosan National School. Oh, my little papa in this car. What do you mean, school to us? What that? Yes, you're gonna have. If you must know, he have one educational at Jumpoa. Yen, and Mamma Macassa Sabia. But this time in educational, I have but another student. I don't know to be papa. To do now to do not swing in India. And the American Colonial Yamia Bomba, the media Chromono, and you believe it's a phono. The Quackati and San Juan Chrono, or Media Debbie, Neponium, or to me a car, Nepo, Nina, yes, I am away. And the Mabu Maba, when you go for that much that you it's my mummy to Tuna 60 beer, and then and then put you back and Canino. No,
yeah, say you and Pacho Dim, maybe I can say for your last caller. Viva. One man who chop.
One man who chop. And maybe I say, and I will show you a good day. And now for the Gazo to that bound the then it's a kind of bullying or much begun a thing now. The good is so more farmer is a sour young quarantine to cry about to tell a joke about Mother. One can know an doctor or not for about 4.5. It's all about 3.7 to the dollar. Of some form, but that at the parliamentary back to
more, that's it. Shaibu, Odiano, Sana, would they ever ye? Namisha, not Facebook, so one for doing Chabano. Yenny be a free hall. We said John Bososu Fantiaqua South and will say on all kind Ramadana Ecoso, Sacrum from Paya or Mobon. Or Mumon ye pa. Emfa Emma or my Ghana. Mensa Saba no interest no say free SHS no. Ewa butayo pa ntia abano de ba nye se bia sabi abano kata nyania no so de ba efa so ewo so wose koka Lawyer John Kuma na ya dutum what ya wo mo pa DJ opa di mo so ame blah 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 blah. Okay. We are going to see what taxi driver. No, say Alan Asem. Okay. Francis Kaswa Datus. I know come and say we for the ministers. We also want to know. Nana, Ghana for Kaswa cry. Dear teacher.
Yes, Ghana for Kaswa. Don't want to say I want to bring our money in IDs. Now, Ewiase is at a point of getting to a third world war.
Sir.
Those who believe in spiritism and prayer.
Sir.
And pray. If you look at the ICC's International Criminal Court, yeah, Holland, I'm a capital for Greek, brought no friend in the Hague. So,
yeah.
Saying what you put in. Now, Putin. And someone, so they bury us saying, America food room back, Black Sea or more, a bomb or two, one more, Masako Chanko to Mukrumo. Normally American diapedy. You see South Africa for a meeting be an crown. I was a Putin baby. Yasa is soon a BBC. South Africa, as you have one or mobile to me, actually Putin the Nako. I see another German, so you have
Putin, they say, you know, the young South Africa.
The name for them, but South Africa, so a member of the ICC. Yeah. baby we are saying ka kro na bia na ma ye be ko we are saying
Dmitry Medvedev
Russia president
former president was war Berman
Putin now also Putin mu a wo de wonzaka Russia almost say your friend is China and so ta omochi North Korea and so popo na ni kire friend is South Korea and my new about say Taiwan China no say mu ya chemu Taiwan China Republic or Democratic Republic of China so ma withdraw one ambassador crowd from one of the states China no ma ya kan fi be so say kambum we are essential say monpa e because we international your friend say politics students are be a yeke kankro no ehun the Ukraine Russia war and the American Russia pedie abrofi say Israel no ka say ejadem
jadem
inti e dwena ba yentimi to to so be brede but those who believe in prayer and supremacy of God say obema peace and renew omompa ye wo shinkramufo nyina rush ya mamo Mubarak
Nana ko ni
kremofo a hye akontene yase ye say Allah e mama ho den na mompa e magana ni wiase nyina ras o mo se won kam ni ba bi o mo pese
nana
no ati e be hwehwem ya ntia champion for dog is always a pleasure learning by your side me champion for je
Atikwa FM 101.9
dog ye ko Ghana for akasa
yo we dey be sere se dey tenan ko kan ye be se be si ye penso ebre bia no ewiase no so far as atem da man no enyama bebre ba so dey ya na confess well do ni ade satem nya ne party ase ba nkrofo so breso ndi yesere se nya ye penso ene be ba mpengu
nkwaye de fufu de
ya na wiase no ano bibia wo mbia ye wo ha bia nipa na de ba nya obi ne be minimse nyankopon no a obo wiase no se de wo ka se obi a nkoye ne ope no ye na de aka na o se hwe ne ye ni te so ma ga na ye chichiri unze de umbia da bia nipa kasa se nye ni bia nipa na eza de babontin ye wo ese no unze maka so many times if men be good government cannot be bad so ye nyina no ye yi afemu de na ye nye ya ye nye de bese ebeboa unze da bia me ka se nipa bebre so mo governance Abrantia or ye me attack no one day some madam for no was say no neno and some sana and says o kan and says o ka say e bia kan no ni ade time no so a na you know free senior high school ni padodo say ni letimi kosu
okay
you objective in some of these things senka nyese bia nkrofo ntisu ntimi for mo nkwa so hu roman trend nam de ba senka sabe kwanko bia ni classroom nko bia ka se ntimi nko ena time ana ye toto ne ma no na free senior high school ma na etu afisi sa atotoko
okay
mo be kono nko mo abem it's a choice
okay
so ye bia school no enye obi a na compose so ko bia na meboa but me sure say parent bia ne akwa sai na nkore papa du twumisi mo ni prospectus nkwa monko
okay
kono kofo bi samne dware wo Bafa so ne fa kosu ade ye me kan ne mo training college ye ko adwaye ho a opim Bafa so no ne kwa ansamna no a ye nuan uti se hu se nka kwaju nyam chafa ne sapa no atete no hu se ya fini afa sapa no atete no o yi mi wura fimi de room ne ma mi fa bi ntwi so e no de ma o ye nyina de sa ye fa mu be wiye there's no a perfect system
okay
if we could develop countries ko mo kro mo ha mo nya na nkrofo ngo ma mo mfa sa na me bu bi atam na prospectus na sa na ma no mo nkobi
okay
o mo se how but mo nya na nkwala no enkonkusu de nya sumdue mfansu de me ne me kan de na ma me nchia mpanimfo a ya enom digmen o mo ma Reverend Asante ye papa da je ni Boati na kwadwantwi na Dr. Boati nso ye tene nkache ba bi obi a chia no na me nchia madehye wo secha from Prince Nura na me wanyoro fi ye bi de me kodru ho me ne nipa bibiri kodi ahia mo boa me wo de me koye ni nyina me da wo nyina ase na me nchia Ghana Communication Technology University fo nyina ebe ye mompa ye nya ye bre so na wi ase me bese tie tie fo ani ahwefo nyina
Ebeye Dr. George Akom na wate ne nka no aba soma no pay na ne ntina konso de ne bre aba abesom ye tifo wa chichi benchemu ye beda obi biara say one of ye one I want to me enya akwanya nche won madwen ebi de won de fa Facebook so YouTube one of she nyina yeda obi biara say ye de mu si ya ye sore ama DJ BIs e de adwuma mre atoaso amaye mo fidi na woni pa doso senior kwanabo aten wo fi ranche won adwuma fu nya no pay